Yes, please.
May please. My lord, I beg to mention item 48 and 50.
Yes.
My lord, in fact, both the matters have been rendered infructuous, my lord. So, my lord, I have instructions to withdraw the same.
48
And
and
50.
50 separate matters.
My lord, in fact, the two writ petitions, but connected matters, my lord.
Okay. Sri S.K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioners, has submitted on instructions that that by flux of time, the writ petition has become infructuous. Para. Also heard State Council, J. Hendrik, learned State Council. And who is Amit Sikya? R. Ali? R. Ali is
My
there
lord,
in
in
the
fact, I could not contact him. I will inform him.
Okay, R. Ali for the private respondent. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Separate order. 48 and 50. 50.
50, 40.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
May Lordship, I beg your Lordship permission for listing of 3 writ petitions.
Motion.
That is a admission hearing. So that is already respondents have filed affidavit in opposition long before. So may come up on any date, Lordship.
Matter of which year?
This is 24.
When you last listed when?
June 2024.
24.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
I have also similar matter for admission listing the next
Matter of which year?
any day. Matter is 25 years, but on the last occasion, my lord, this on 30th, it was listed, but Honorable Judge, my lord,
What is the subject matter?
submit this removal of Secretary of Cooperative Society. So
Not by mention memo.
the other
Mention
is,
memo we allow on some special circumstances.
other is holding the
Matters
post.
are listed without mention memo. Your matter will also be listed.
Because that on 30th it was
You
covered.
show some urgency, you show some exceptional things, we'll allow. Not like this. Yes, next.
My lord, eviction matter, my lord, from Uriam Ghat, Kulaghat, my lord.
Motion.
Motion
When?
today, my lord, because
Today,
my lord, today is the last date, my lord, some person has approached. Kindly, my lord,
today you can try, but we are not assuring. Today, because of some function in
My
Namingaon,
lord,
we might have to rise
I
at
can
it.
understand only,
Okay, we allow you,
my
but we have to bring it at 2 o'clock.
lord, I will try my best.
Okay.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. With the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item number 47 of the supplementary list. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I require 4 weeks time to file my
47.
affidavit in opposition.
47 you said?
Lordship, I am appearing for the petition alone.
Yes. On a request made on behalf of the respondent income tax department, 3 weeks time is granted.
Lordship, 4 weeks.
4 weeks time is granted to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Interim is here.
Interim order passed earlier to continue to the next date of listing. Yes.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, just hold on. Also in item number 23, yesterday we have
23.
circulated adjournment
23
petition.
matter of which year?
2017 year, Lordship.
Huh?
2017.
2017.
Yes. Yeah, the arguing council is out of station here.
17 matter we do not adjourn. Simply by giving a mention memo, do you think it will be enough? Adjournment memo, that's not enough. It is only informing the court that does not assure that the matter would be adjourned.
Yes, Lordship.
17 matter. Why?
Yes, Your Lordship. Also,
What is the subject matter involved?
this is a maternal death case, Your Lordship. But the matter can be fixed at all 5 or 7, Your Lordship. Arguing council will be available.
Okay. A request for adjournment has been made on behalf of Ms. G. Ghosh, learned counsel for the petitioner on personal grounds. Para. Considering that this writ petition is of the year 2017, a slight accommodation is granted, directing listing of this matter on 7th of
Yes, Your Lordship.
August.
May it please, my lord. My lord, with respect to item number 35, 36, and 37, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, we have received our departmental instructions, my lord. I'm praying for some time to file it, my lord.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, I have for the petitioner.
Yes.
Matter may be refixed on next Friday, subject to Lordship's convenience.
Can you file your
Yes, my lord.
next Friday? Can you
Yes,
file
Friday.
within a week?
Okay.
A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the department to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para. As requested. list on Friday next. By which time the
Eight.
affidavit in opposition may be filed? Friday next, huh?
8 August.
8 August.
Much of. Highly obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship,
Is there any interim order?
No.
I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship.
28,
We are,
yes,
we are going to file the rejoinder affidavit against the affidavit filed by the opposite party. Your Honor,
okay.
Lordship. So kindly fix in the next week, Lordship.
Madam, okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioners, 2 weeks' time is granted to enable filing of rejoinder affidavit.
Right.
Any interim order? No.
No.
Yes.
Not with your lordship, if you mention item number 46, my lord.
Supply list?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What is it?
Admission. For admission. Kindly matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Maybe
Adjourned, my lord,
18 matter. Why?
due to some difficulties.
What difficulty? 18, 17 matters. Unless you make out a case, we do not adjourn. What
Kindly-
is the subject matter? Subject matter? You do not know. Sorry. That the matter which then we'll see. Yes, next.
May I with your lordship, I to beg to mention item number 26.
26 years.
Lordship, my senior counsel is out of session due to medical reasons. Please kindly adjourn the matter.
This is also an old matter, 21 matter. On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks. Yes.
Okay.
May please, your lordship. My lord, may I pay for listing this IA my lord on Monday, my lord.
I for
IA for my lord correction of minor mistake, my lord. District name has been wrong, my lord.
Obliged, my lord.
Yeah, please, your lordship, I did to mention with petition for listing for admission.
admission matter of which year? Matter of which year? Writ petition is of which year?
2004,
2000?
Four.
2004?
2024,
24. When was it last listed?
2nd May.
2nd May, what? 2nd May 2025. What is the subject matter? You have to know a basic idea, you have to have a basic idea of the subject matter. These are out of turn listings by mention memo. Without making out a cause, you do not allow. You make out a cause, we will allow. You have to know the subject matter. Why do you want an out of turn listing? Sorry, yes, next.
May I please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, we have filed a, in item number 12, we have filed an additional affidavit. It will be allowed to tag with the record.
Bring it. Give a requisition.
Much. May I please, lordship.
Yes,
The petitioner don't want to further press it.
doesn't want to press.
Doesn't want to press.
Three, B. Fukan, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions not to press this petition. Full stop. Pair. In view of the aforesaid submission, petition is dismissed as not pressed to contempt the written eligible, any petition. level. Yes, next.
Alright.
Hello. The respondent has not complied the order dated 12/3/2025 passed by this honorable court. The facts of the case is that my grandfather has purchased one plot of land.
Where is the order?
Order is page annexure 8, page 46.
46.
Page 46.
Operative part.
Operative part. Para number 6, 7, 9 and 10.
Where is your representation?
Well, the order itself, or at the prayer of the State Council, the time was given for 10 days. And that
Now,
was,
where is your information to the LS contemners?
my lord, they have called me and.
Where is the information you have given?
My lord, I have not given by writing, and I have
Yeah.
went to there and informed the matter.
Will that be enough? What are the consequences in a contempt case? Penal consequences. First thing, we'll have to be satisfied that these respondents have been informed about the order.
My lord, they, as per their prayer, it was a 10 day time was given to them
Where?
in the order itself.
Order, this was on the prayer of the, on the submission of the learned council. Do you expect that the learned council will, isn't it your duty? Have to inform them first. This is the order, comply with.
My lord, you have informed, later on we have also informed.
So as the letter,
My lord, that was not taken with
we have filed an additional affidavit.
My
Don't
lord,
make this mistake.
tomorrow I will,
Tomorrow they'll say we are not been informed.
the matter will be listed on the Monday, I will submit a.
Not Monday, we'll give you more time. We'll have it after a week. You file it, file the additional affidavit.
My lord, it may be listed on the Wednesday.
Wednesday. But do you have the receipt copy of the,
My
do
lord,
you have?
yes.
Or are you going to now?
Yes, my lord, we have, because there, in the meantime, the state has acquired
Though this has to
Then
be
some-
RK Moore, your RK Moore,
Arkemore.
learned counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this petition has alleged non-compliance of order dated so-and-so, passed in so-and-so, full stop. This court has, however, noticed that there is nothing annexed in this petition to show that the order was communicated to the respondents. Clara? On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to enable him to file an additional affidavit to put on record the documents in that regard. Clara, list, on request, list on Wednesday next.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, here in this case, the petitioners before your lordship were, they are the, my lord, erosion affected people. In 2005, my lord, they have applied for allotment of certain plot of land. 25 lessons of land for each, my lord, family. Their petition were, my lord, accepted, and the revenue authority, my lord, has paused field inquiry. Latmondal circle officer and SDO civil, my lord, submitted its report. I have annexed all this report. Matter was sent pending for, my lord, consideration at the office of the Deputy Commissioner Nagaon at that time. Huzai was not a district, my lord. In 2010, my lord, it was, my lord, the Deputy Commissioner office got the matter my lord, inspected, my lord, re-inquired. And second time, my lord, report was submitted. I have annexed all this second report. Your lordship, second time report, your lordship kindly peruse, page 63.
That is of 2010.
2010.
Thereafter?
And thereafter, the matter was sent to the respondent number 1, Principal Secretary, Revenue Disaster Management, for necessary. That was not done. In the meantime, my lord, we are continue communicating, my lord, until 2019. I have annexed 3 representation, my lord. That has not been done. In 2020, after lockdown, my lord, when Vasundhara comes, we applied for Vasundhara. That is pending. Our application for Vasundhara is for consideration, that is pending. Now, private respondent, my lord, he has manufactured some document and claiming that a great portion of the land, it was initially, patta was issued in the name of his father. And subsequently, it was cancelled because of non-payment of revenue. That document, my lord, apparently a fake document. Your lordship kindly peruse page 96, page 96, man. On the basis of this document, man, page 96.
Yes. This is the Jamabandi.
This is the Jamabandi. Your lordship will find page 96 note, my lord. in terms of letter of government of Assam bite number such and such, and in terms of order of Deputy Commissioner Nagang dated, your lordship kindly peruse note this date,
Yes,
25/8/72.
yes,
Land measuring 20 biga, dag number such and such, total land 25 biga, 3 kata 12 lesa, under Dhoniram Patar Kisam has been converted into periodic patta land,
yes,
again on conversion of class of land and on payment of land premium. The
yes.
patta number 8 has been made. Your lordship kindly, the land was, in the note says, in terms of 25/8/72 order. But below your lordship, initial, my lord, your lordship kindly say 28/72. That means prior to passing of this order, the note has been inserted in the Jamabandi. That is not a very much, my lord, doubtful, my lord. Our claim is that the respondent, private respondent, at no point of time was in possession, my lord, in the land, my lord. And under the government scheme, we are entitled to 1 bigger land, but we have claimed only 25 lesa for our homestead, my lord. We are both homeless, my lord, and landless. That has not been done. Because of, my lord, thereafter he has filed application, my lord, page 99. On the basis of this application, now the respondents are going to restore his patta, my lord. Our contention is that is,
Aren't you required to file a civil suit?
my lord.
First, your entire basis of this petition, lease rather, is an alleged fraud. That this document appears to be fraudulent in your esteem because the dates are not matching. Now, that is a question of fact, which you
It is a question of
require
fact. But the
required to
question is
prove
that
in a.
your lordship kindly consider one thing. In 2005, the revenue authority has made field inquiry. We are.
Where is the document?
Is for
Where
the
is the document?
Latmandal report.
Where is the document?
Yes, ma'am. The first Latmandal report, page 57.
And when did you discover this this fact?
That after this last annexure, my lord, it is on 23. He 9/3/23 he has filed this application, my lord. And after this, my lord, revenue authority 23 this application, my lord.
Third, 3A by within learned counsel for the petitioners. It is the projected case of the petitioners that they, being erosion affected, had applied for allotment of land, which, and the said process was going on since a long period of time, starting from 2010. Full stop. As no significant progress was made after progression made in accordance with the scheme of Basundhara, they had made further application of the land. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is, however, with an action of the respondent authorities whereby the land has been shown to be of the private respondent number 8. Full stop.
7.
The petitioners, the learned counsel has also submitted that the copy of that the copy of the Jamabandi which has been collected appears to be a fraudulent one. Para, that notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Should we? Yes, madam. Miss D. Hazarika, learned. Pending council revenue 1. Then PK Medhi, assisting so and so.
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4. 5 and Gopal Nagar Gaon Panchayat, represented by secretary. Gaon Panchayat, can the Panchayat take represented by the secretary?
Yes,
No, there is a PNRD. Can you take, Mr. Datta? A particular Gaon Panchayat represented by the secretary.
Yes, I can.
5 as Datta. Extra copies, 6 registered post with AD. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents have, however, raised a preliminary objection on the aspect of delay as well as involvement of factual dispute, full stop. The aforesaid objections would be considered at an appropriate stage.
Till the returnable date, we may not be disturbed, my lord, or at status quo as on date may be maintained, my lord.
Difficult,
But otherwise, my lord,
difficult.
on the basis of the application, my lord, we will be disturbed.
Well, see, you cannot be disturbed, huh?
SCPNRD may be declined.
SCPNRD. You cannot be evicted without a notice. Till now, there is no notice. If there is a notice, come to us, we'll see. Yes, SCPNRD be reflected in the cause list. We give a date.
Right.
That will be easier for him. List on 6th question, but you take steps immediately. There is a private respondent. too.
Within the course of the day, my lord,
First taking 1, 3, 4. On 10th of September. Returnable.
I am obliged.
Okay. Next.
My lord, it's it, name of the standing council, PNRD,
Well, what
otherwise
is-
on that day again,
You serve copy upon him.
I will serve.
Okay.
I am obliged.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
PST cancellation matter is covered by lordship order, my lord. If I, otherwise I have no objection, but there is a technical, he preferred appeal that was dismissed on ground of delay, and that has been not been pendant as challenge.
Since your lordship directing to revive on payment of all taxes and dues, it will have no bearing perhaps,
Okay.
my lord.
That is the lordship, otherwise I have, but technically, the appeal was dismissed, so they could have challenged this order.
It seems Mr. Mishra is specializing on revival of race petition.
No, otherwise I have no.
No, he's specializing on this subject.
No, but lordship, probably he has committed mistake by not challenging that order,
Doesn't
because
matter.
that order will remain.
Doesn't matter. It will not harm you.
No.
One more registration. Yes, dispose of. RS Mishra. Have you made the corrections? Have you shown to your colleague, senior colleague?
Well, I will show, my lord.
Huh?
I will show, my lord.
No. Have you made the
It is
corrections?
there, my lord. I will show.
Have you made the corrections?
Yes, my, it is there in this copy. I have made the corrections.
No,
Separate
this copy will not do then.
my lord.
Okay, make the corrected copy, show it to him.
My lord.
Lordship,
Don't show something else to him and give something else to the
No,
court.
no, my lord.
lordship, that, then please to mention about that appellate order also.
It is there. I have made a mention, my lord.
If it remains,
Hmm.
then lordship probably it will be.
At a Mazut line, SC Kyle, as the standing council has however informed that the appeal which was preferred against the impugned order has been dismissed. And the said appeal and the said order has not been put to challenge.
Much obliged.
তারপর আমি এটা লোকাল ইন্ডিয়া তুমি মার্ক করে দিই irrespective of the aforesaid thing, rejection, a order to the application. It will develop. Yes, next.
Please, your lordship, this for
Yes.
composite land sale, your lordship, NOC has not been issued in this regard. For composite land sale, your lordship, NOC has not been issued even after the lapse of 45 days, your lordship. We have also filed a representation in this regard. It has also not been considered.
Oh, this matter was, I think, taken up the
Lordship, same, petitioner is same, but patta and dag numbers are different.
we have issued notice, I think,
Yes,
Yes,
it was taken on
that
13th.
was fixed on 13,
13th.
30, okay,
1-3.
1-3, yes.
1-3. We remember the name. Heard Sri R. Chaudhary,
Yes, sir.
learned counsel for the petitioner
Sir.
who is aggrieved by the inaction on the part of the respondent authorities to facilitate sale of land. Full stop. It is submitted. It is, this court has also been informed that a similar matter filed by the same petitioners is fixed on 13th 13th of August. That notice be issued, returnable on 13th of August. Sri Revenue, Madam G. Hazarika, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3K Medhi assisting, huh?
2-5.
Extra copies, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, item number same, similar order.
Item
Item
number
number 8, lordship.
8.
8, lordship.
Petitioner is the same
Same, lordship,
Yes,
only dag and patta numbers.
and respondents are the same.
Same,
Okay,
lordship.
8 also. Make a note. Give extra copies.
Yes.
Yes, next. Yes, what is this?
May I please the lordship? Lordship, in this matter, that the land continuously occupied by the petitioner and the predecessors was originally part of the Coachbagila Zamindari estate, my lord, and that is recorded in Khatian number 36, my lord. My lord, annexure 1, that is page number 17, my lord.
Well, we have issued notice in similar matters.
No, yes, my lord.
We should notice.
No, my lord, no, my lord.
Then there is some Dhubri matters, I think we should notice.
Dhubri, yes, Khatian,
Yes,
some.
you are not
It is
aware.
apprehended that the petitioner and their other courtiers may be evicted from the land, my lord.
Now, are you aware
So,
that
my
there
lord,
are similar matters which have
this
been
will-
filed?
My lord, this matter was filed in 2018, my lord. We, in WBC case number 23443/18, my lord. When the interim order was passed in this honorable court, my lord, Annexure 7, that is page number 40 and 41, my lord. My lord, kindly see, my lord, 41 page number, my lord.
Hmm.
Last period, my lord, until further orders, the petitioner shall not be evicted from the land,
Hmm.
my lord.
Thereafter, what happened? Thereafter, what happened?
So, my lord.
You have withdrawn the petition?
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
this matter is-
thereafter?
No, my lord. So, my lord, similar matter recently order passed by this honorable court, my lord. I have the order copy, my lord.
No, you have withdrawn your challenge.
For withdraw, my lord, otherwise under the Khatian were illegally converted into government Khatian number 1, my lord. Therefore, all the petitioners submitted a representation for the citizen respondent number 3 and forwarded same and also forwarded some representation to the respondent number 4, my lord.
No, that is not the issue. Issue is in 2018, you file a writ petition, you get an interim order. 2023, you withdraw the writ petition. Thereafter, how can you file another writ petition? 5 years you have enjoyed an interim order.
But then also later on 5/2/2018 submitted an application before the commissioner and secretary to the Government of Assam, my lord, praying for allotment and settlement of the land acquisition, but without any result, my lord. And it is apprehended that the petitioner may be evicted from the land, my lord. So,
That
my
was
lord,
the same prayer in the earlier petition.
my
The
lord,
order of
no
status
result,
quo
my lord.
was not to evict. Interim
But
order was
without
not to
any
evict.
result, my lord.
Huh? How do you explain? You cannot approach the court like this. Whenever you want to, then you withdraw again, come. Yes, Mr. Talukdar,
Well, the same petitioner, they have.
same petitioner.
That is withdrawn.
What is your explanation in this petition?
Yes, my lord.
In this petition, what is your explanation regarding the earlier case? Have you explained
Yes, my lord.
why you withdrew and why you have come again? Is there anything, any explanation? You need to file, you need to explain this. You file an additional affidavit. Heard, what is your name?
R.I. Bhuyam.
Heard Sri R.I. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioners.
234.
Who has filed this petition
Additional.
on the apprehension of eviction from the plot of land. Full stop. It, however, appears that the same petitioners had earlier approached this court by filing WPC 2343 of 2018, wherein an interim order was passed on 25/5/2018. Full stop. However, the said writ petition was withdrawn on 29/9/2023. Full stop. There is no reasonable explanation of the aforesaid reason of withdrawal, of the aforesaid ground of withdrawal in this petition. Full stop. The powers exercised under Article 226 of the Constitution of India being prerogative in nature, the conduct of the party is of paramount importance, The learned counsel, the petitioners are required to explain the position by filing, explain the position, the learned counsel at this stage prays for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file an additional affidavit.
Obligation.
Maybe less. The petitioner before lordship, they are elected members of a Anchalik Panchayat. In this case, the Anchalik Panchayat was directly elected 11 members. The petitioners are in 5. But the first meeting was convened on 11/7/2015, that is page 29. And on that day,
How many of you are there? 5.
Millet,
5 petitioners.
5 petitioners
Okay, elected.
elected.
Yes.
First meeting was convened on 11/7/2025, page 29.
Yes.
On that day, only 6 elected members were present. But due to want of quorum, the meeting was adjourned. No date was fixed.
Yes.
Then, on 14th July 2025, page 33, notice was issued. But for the adjourned meeting on 15/7/2025, but no notice was served to the petitioners.
On 14.
14,
14, the notice was issued fixing the next date.
next date for meeting.
Yes.
Then the meeting was held.
It was not served upon you.
No, meeting was held and the resolution number 6 and 11 were elected.
The
As
meeting was
president.
held on 15/7. Meeting held.
Held,
And 6 and 7 elected.
elected as president and vice president of the Anchalik Panchayat.
Hmm.
Now, my period before lordship, the meeting ought to be held after 7 days notice and it should be served.
Now, what about an adjourned meeting? It was, initially, the first meeting was held on 11/7.
11/7.
Because of lack of quorum, it was adjourned.
Adjourned.
Now, thereafter, is there a requirement that an adjourned meeting should be preceded by a 7 days notice? What is the law?
There is no specific provision of law, but there should, lordship will
The
consider.
second day on 15th, it is not, though it's the first meeting, it's a continuation of the meeting held on 11/7.
Even that regarding first meeting, notice was not served. Then adjourned meeting also the notice.
Any one of you wanted to be a VP or a president? Your 5 of you are there. 5 petitioners are there.
Yes.
Any one of you, did you aspire to become the president or vice president?
But maybe because when the election will be held, they can choose or elected. But there was no, since they were absent, we are not informed. So how they can
These are all factual matters, difficult. Okay, well, you should notice at this. Third, yes.
We file a representation before the deputy commissioner. That also not taken any action. Page 42.
Third, Sri D.A. Kayum Learned Counsel for the petitioners. The petitioners who are 5 in numbers claim to be elected members of the 5 number Nairalga, a Anchalik Panchayat in the district of Dhubri. though the first meeting was held on 11/7/2025, due to lack of quorum, the meeting was adjourned. Full stop. It however appears that on 14/7/2025, a notice was issued fixing the meeting on 15/7/2025. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that they were, that neither the 7 days clearance time was there, nor the petitioners were informed about the meeting. And therefore, there is violation of the statute. Para? Para na? The grievance of the petitioners were also expressed to the district commissioner Dhubri by submitting a representation, which however has not been acted upon. Para? Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks to be Doctor,
My lord, I am for 1 and 5, my lord.
1 and 5 election, AB Casta 2 on behalf of RWB, huh? 2 and Chite Medhi 3, 4, 3 and 4, huh? Assisting BJ Taluk, huh? Then extra copies, then 6 to 6, 7 or 6, 11, 6, 7, registered prospective. Steps within 2 working days.
Usually, we take justice service.
Do you know about it? You serve them. Or if you want, you can go for dusting.
Additionally,
Sri Kayam, the learned council, prays for a liberty to serve dusty. Para? Liberty is granted and such justice service is to be routed through the let the next date be fixed on 6 weeks, no? 6 weeks, date attack person 6 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 15th of September. Okay. Which is to be reflected, clearly reflected in the notice, before the next date, affidavit in proof of justice. You have to file the affidavit.
obliged.
Justice is into form, you make it.
Right, Mr. Lashit, sir, petitioner has a current account in the bank of Bandhan Bank, Dhuri branch, my lord. But the petitioner could not run the account, my lord, with effect from 12th of October 2024, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, immediately, my lord, 16th where the petitioner had submitted representation, another representation, my lord, on 8/1/25 and another 27/2, my lord. But
What is this first? Who is this first respondent?
first respondent, my lord, branch manager, Reserve Bank of India, Guwahati branch.
You have a branch manager in Reserve Bank of India branch.
Branch. My lord.
Do you have a branch manager in Reserve Bank of India?
My lord.
You have not even done your homework. Do you have a branch manager? Can you transact something in the Reserve Bank of India?
No, my lord.
Then
In the representation, my lord, written branch manager. That is why I met for the.
representation is by whom? By your client.
Yes, my lord, page 32.
30?
32, my lord.
Is there any entity? Yes, who will be able to tell RBI? Mr. Roy?
They have their councils.
No. In the Guwahati office. Is it a branch? I don't think it's a branch. It's an office of the RBI Guwahati office.
Yes.
You have not approached the proper authority. Mr. Otto? RBI? Guwahati office, who heads? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, Guwahati office, is it headed by a branch manager? I don't think so. Cannot be. Cannot be a branch manager. It's not a branch.
Branch.
It is not a branch.
Branch. But in the representation written.
You have addressed the representation in a wrong, to a wrong person. There is no such branch manager. That is why we are trying to ascertain.
My lord.
Now, what is your grievance?
Grievance, my lord, the petitioner could not run the account, my lord, with effect from 12th of October 2024, my lord.
Then,
Then, my lord, representation was
now what,
submitted.
what is the problem you are facing now?
Now, could not run the account, my lord. This is
You
not,
could not run now. What do you want?
now I want to direct the respondent authority to allow us to continue the, operate the account, my lord. This is the only. prayer.
You don't want to operate. You want to withdraw the balance.
Balance, operate and withdraw the balance amount.
If you are not operating your account for a long time, it goes under a freeze mode. You have to defreeze it.
No, my lord, kindly come to page 12 to onwards. And the last statement I have given, my lord. Last page 29, my lord. Transaction, my lord, last transaction 12th of October. Balance, my lord, shown. And last transaction 3rd of October 2024.
Yes.
And on 12th of October, my balance is 2,05,000, my lord, something. Thereafter, could not operate the account, my lord, and withdraw the money.
What do you do?
My lord, businessman, my lord, having a hardware shop, my lord.
Then why have you made the RBI a party?
My lord, because representation submitted before the.
Why? How RBI is concerned?
Regional director.
Regional director.
Regional director.
Well, what about the banking ombudsman?
Banking ombudsman, not yet submitted any
You
representation.
cannot just come to a writ court. You are having a problem with the account. Approach the banking ombudsman.
My lord.
I don't think it's a fit case. Otherwise, you'll waste your time.
My lord.
After a particular period, again, you'll have to go to, you take instructions from your advice, perhaps is not proper.
My lord.
You take the time, okay, I heard. Sri M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by the action of the respondent bank in not allowing the petitioner to run his current account. It is the case of the petitioner that the last transaction was done when?
My lord, 3rd of October 2024.
3rd of October 2024. What is the reason for not allowing you?
No, any reason is available, my lord.
October, and no reasons have been assigned for the said action. It however appears that the available remedy of approaching the banking ombudsman has not been resorted to. At this stage, the learned counsel prays for and is granted 10 days time to obtain instructions. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes, next.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I have the instruction to appear for respondent number 4 in this case. My lord, similar matter, item number 22, my lord. Both are issues are same, so I pray that both will be taken up together, my lord. If my senior
22 motion or what?
It is motion, my lord.
22?
22, I don't know.
22 for implement for order.
And there is a IA for withdrawal. Item 22.
So, my lord, this is my motion, my lord. Your lordship, can you hear me, my lord?
22 is for implement.
Implement, and there is a application for withdrawal also.
Withdrawal of what?
The writ petition.
Your file.
I'm appearing for Oil India Limited. The entire issue is Oil India has taken over certain lands over a tea estate, Hatangpani tea estate. Now, against that, there is a compensation amount that has been assessed. Now, they are all before this honorable court saying that they are co-owners of that tea estate and they are claiming awarded money. So it's basically a dispute between the co-owners. For us, we have taken over the land and the amount has been assessed. And in the Article 22, there's an interim order that the amount should not be disbursed because of the disputes. So this is the issue. 22 and therefore 20.
And 22, you want to withdraw the writ petition.
I'm responding number 4.
Same petitioner.
No.
You
He is one of the co-owner.
Co-owners.
I am one of the co-owner, my lord. Now, my lord, if it is withdrawn, my lord, the whole matter has gone, my lord. So that's
No,
why, my
but
lord,
who is the petitioner here? The tea estate.
no, I am the tea state, yes.
Who is the petitioner in this present writ petition? Tea estate.
Tea state and
And Mr. Bharadwaj?
Tea estate.
I am one
Tea
of the
estate
co-owner.
and Priyanka's co-owners. So tea estates are same. So this is the
No, my
dispute. I
lord.
think it's a matter that has to go to the civil court. Not
Yes,
here.
we'll go to civil court, my lord. Before that, my lord, Oil India on the document, what document they have, my lord, release the, my lord, amount without ascertaining the, my lord, real position. Even
Amount has been released on, in whose name?
he released one, my lord, respondent number 6, my lord, name.
I have filed an, my lord, implement application in item number 22.
Respondent number 4, sorry, my lord.
My
No,
lord,
one
he
part,
is-
not my lord.
He is one of the, my lord, the member of the joint, my lord, HUF, my lord. And I am representing, my lord, 36 of the, my lord, joint, my lord, the members of the, my lord, HUF. And she is one of, my lord, them.
My lord, there is a doubt, my lord, whether he
In
can, my
item
lord,
number-
appear, my lord.
In item number
Because
22.
your lordship kindly
The
see.
22, I have filed an
If I may just
application,
say
not,
that.
I am not appearing.
No,
in-
now, my lord, he says that he is appearing on HUF, my lord, I am surprised, my lord. Because he is
It's-
repeating the
it's a
accused,
big
my lord,
dispute
because there is
regarding who will
FIR
take
file,
the
my lord.
money.
In FIR, he is filing, my lord, bail application on behalf of the accused who is filed by the family, my lord. Now, my lord, I don't know, my lord, some of the, my lord, hand in gloves of the, my lord, some of the official also, my lord. Your lordship
You will
kindly,
hear the matter then, that the FIR that was, my lord, filed, that has been withdrawn. And now, my lord, the one of the, my lord, this member has filed the item number 22. Now, after I have intervened and filed an application for impeachment, they have filed an application for withdrawal.
And therein,
have-
they take a ground saying that the allegation was that the Oil India has paid the money to a representative of the tea estate and he didn't have any authority. Now, on withdrawal, the ground taken by them was a miscommunication and miscommunication sorted now. Therefore, that vindicates my point as Oil India Limited that the payment when I made to the representative
But there, he
seems
is,
to be correct.
in 22, the petitioner is somebody else, not Mr. Mohanto's client.
Yes, tea estate is there.
No.
Tea estate.
no, my
He's-
lord, that's why, that is
Petition
the,
number one is a
that
TST.
is why, my lord.
That is what we're asking. The disbursement is in the name of the tea estate or somebody in particular?
Yes,
Respondent number 4,
represented-
my
No,
lord.
the disbursement.
The estate is represented by two persons as representatives to whom the money was given.
No, money was in the name of the tea estate.
The estate,
Account is in the name of whom?
those exact documents I do not have. but
Exactly, that is the case, my lord. Let them produce the document before
Yes,
this honorable court. On what basis they have released it, my lord? Now, my lord, other party is not yet been released, my lord. That is the case, my lord. Even, my lord, in the RTR reply, but they have given a vague reply, my lord.
I am agreed to keep whatever money is there in All India's coffers with me as long as the dispute is sorted out. I have nothing to do with this.
Let the item number 22, let the withdrawal petition.
No,
kept
that
in
is
abeyance,
happened, my
lord,
lord, my
I
lord.
be implemented, my lord, that will reveal everything.
No, if they want to withdraw,
Yes, well, I cannot,
How do
yes,
you
I
do
cannot,
this?
but I cannot, my lord. So,
We
my lord,
cannot
I don't
force-
know, my lord, in
we
item
cannot force him
because-
to contest
my lord,
be
in
in the
item
court.
number 10, whether we have been implemented or not, I do not know, my lord, but. if
What
it-
is your name, Mr. Sakia?
My lord, I represent, my lord, 36 members of the.
Name, any name.
Bully nahi? Bully nahi bas.
Natwa Bhushan Sonwal is there, Dilip Kumar Bora is there, and Vikram Sharma is there.
No, Notwa Bhushan is the respondent number 4. Who withdrew the money, my lord? And against whom then FIR was lost, my lord.
So far as item 22, my lord, I can say that all the, my lord, material facts have been suppressed there, my lord. In 22, I do not know about this, my lord. If I am implemented, we are implemented, in that case, my lord, everything will, what the friend is suggesting that we should come with all the documents, we can come with all the documents.
Suggest what to be done, what is to be done?
My prayer was very simple. Whatever amount was made to be disbursed,
Yes, that
among the four.
owners, she is one of them.
The moment I say that, my lord, how is Mr. Sekia's agree person?
No, I'm not saying I'm agree, I'm just referring to
The
this.
Eviction in the new motion, my lord, and let me withdraw my earlier clause.
So that is withdrawn, this has come up.
Yes, tell us, how do you deal with both?
There was a earlier interim order in the first case, the 22, wherein the money was asked to be kept. That order may be passed in this case also.
My lord, let them file and respond it, my lord.
And then they might.
That is my case, my lord.
How many co-owners are there?
They are actually, my lord, that is a Hindu undivided family, my lord.
36 and then 38.
So here only one before this honorable.
Total 38.
38.
Who is the Karta of the HUF?
That I represent.
You are the Karta. Do you have the documents of the HUF here in this proceeding? In your proceeding or Mr. Mohanta's proceeding, have you disclosed that this is an HUF?
Yes, my lord.
Who is the Karta of the HUF?
My lord, that.
Who has come before this court? Can a co-owner come when there is a Karta?
No, my lord, your lordship kindly.
Unless you have a dispute with the Karta, that's a different matter. And then
No.
you have to go to the civil court.
Already there is a civil court, my lord, case is pending regarding, my lord, their families, my lord. Probably your lordship kindly see the page 37, my lord, of my petition, my lord.
Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll issue a short notice here.
My lord,
And we'll have this matter along with 22 on after 2 weeks.
my lord.
The Mr. Bharat, your application for withdrawal also will defer it. Okay. I heard Sri T.J. Mahanta, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioners assisted by Sri D. Mahanta.
I'm appearing for respondent 1 and 2. I'll tell you.
The grievance of the petitioners is with regard to the disbursal of an acquisition amount
My lord.
regarding the petition number 1 garden. Full stop. Petition number 2 claims to be the co-owner
Co-owner
of
of
petition
petition
number
number
1. And the allegation is that she is being deprived of her entitlement. Full stop. Tara. Sri A. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the All India Limited, has however informed that the petitioner T State, along with another co-owner, has already filed a writ petition WPC 420
Yes, your lordship.
of 2025, which is also listed today with the same prayer, full stop,
Page 16.
with a similar prayer, full stop. In the said petition, however, it transpires that there is a settlement for which the petitioner has also filed an application for withdrawal. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri A. Sharma, Learned Counsel, accept notice on behalf of Respondent 1, 2, 1 and 2. 3, SS Roy. Then 4, 5, 6 by registered post. Are you there? 4, 5, 6,
My lord,
anyone?
I'm for 4 and 5, man.
Oh, okay. 3, Gupta. Pura number, A.K. Gupta, Learned Counsel, has submitted that he has instructions to appear on behalf of 4 and 5.
Four.
File wakalatnama
No, my lord.
and would file the wakalatnama shortly. Let extra copies, okay? Let steps be taken for service of notice upon respondent number 6 by registered post with AD, steps within 2 days. Para? This court has been informed that there is an interim order.
Yes, my lord. Page
Passed.
62. my lord.
That I have given lordship just now.
Passed in the connected WPC 420 of 2025. Full stop. The said interim order would also operate in the present case. Full stop. Please both these cases after 6 weeks.
Deeply.
Obliged, your lord.
I can do it to get my ID allotment of
22, 22 over. Heard. You're the no, you're the applicant. Heard Sri P.J. Saikya, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri Mishra or who? Madam, assisted by Ms. M. Nirola. applicants, who by means of this application has prayed for increment in this petition. First up, it is submitted that the applicants are also co-owners and owners of the tea estate in question and have
Members of
vital interest in the proceeding. First up. It however also appears that the writ petitioner has filed IA 2320 of 2025 for withdrawal of the petition as according to the petitioner, in the meantime, the matter has been settled. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, both the prayers made in IA 2219 of 2025 and 2320 2025 would be considered on the next date fixed. Full stop. List along with 4294 of 2025.
Well,
Obliged, Your Honor.
So we're keeping everything alive.
The petitioners, they are the owner of a Medipatta land at Posim Barago, my lord. The GMC authority suddenly forcefully taken away our land without showing any reasons, without acquiring the land, my lord. Now they have started the construction, and now they say that they use the land for the purpose of dump the garbage. Then
Purpose of?
the garbage place, my lord. Then, my lord, we submitted several representations to the authority. But
It's not required.
not acquired.
I
Now,
will get the instruction, madam.
no, you also can say Annexure 11,
Okay.
page 50.
Heard Sri J. Ahmed.
My lord,
and-
page 16.
No, we'll issue some, short notice. Heard Sri J. Ahmed Leonard Counsel for the petitioners. First up, as per the facts projected, the petitioners are the owners of a Miyadi Patta land, and the same has been utilized by the GMC for dumping of garbage. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that there is no acquisition,
petitioners.
there is no acquisition proceedings. And because of the activities aforesaid, the land has become unable for use by the petitioners.
That they had already taken away, my lord.
Okay.
They already taken away the
Okay.
land. Forcefully taken away.
Last question, Kumar. It is also submitted that there has been forceful taking over of possession of the land without any acquisition proceeding. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri Bora for
Only for 4.
I got 20.
Internal Secretary.
There is also respond now 5.
Number one, who's number one?
Number one,
Mr. Ahmed.
Number
1, representation, Commissioner and Secretary, Government of Assam. Please proceed. Who is that department?
Okay, Mr.
Municipal department. sir.
Huh?
How can?
It will be municipal department.
State, municipality cannot be state, man.
Okay, one, J. Hendik, one and two, 1, 2, 3. What about 5?
5 is not.
You will take, Mr. Bora?
I can take, I don't know whether that such kind of person is there or not.
No, it is there because the Annexure page 68.
4 and 5, yes, Bora, extra copies within 2 working days. You serve extra copies. Get the instructions, what is going on
Roughly
actually.
fixing on.
We'll, 4 weeks.
That may be given.
We give it, list on. We'll have it on 27th.
August. This one August. Hello, hello.
27. Yeah, please.
This is a
Yes,
case
please.
where there are suppose two plots of land. And as per section 3B, the respondent authorities had demarcated a plot of land.
3B of NHA Act, National Highways Act.
Yes. This is for the construction of the Guwahati Ring Road.
Yes.
So they have particularly demarcated a plot of land which I have described in Schedule E plot. And subsequently, now, my lord, they have issued notices in respect of a different dag and different patta, which is also my plot of land. So that's why, Your Honor, Your Lordship, we are apprehending presently that without adhering to the mandatory provisions of the National Highways Act.
No, my lord, that's not fact. I have already brought instruction to that effect after receiving decision. This first and foremost thing, this project is by outer Guwahati, that is a national importance because to avoid jam and this one.
Yes,
But anyhow, my lord, this under the provision of National Highways Act, we have already issued notification under, initially we have to issue under section 3A, my lord. Then thereafter, after section D, there we go for declaration that is amount to 3D, my lord. And after 3, E will come. Yesterday, my learned friend has filed one additional affidavit saying that they have received notices in regard of TE, meaning thereby they have received they are not denying that 3D is completed. And 3D4 it is clearly says, my lord, if now after 3D it will become G, my lord, demand, and 3G also been prepared, my lord. 3G also been prepared. And 3D4, Lordship may peruse. Yeah. Lordship may peruse. Here clearly says after declaration of 3D, my lord, they have to hear.
Well, do one thing, we issue a short notice, you file affidavit. Let
Yes,
them
yes,
know.
I'll file it.
My lord,
Let them know.
we are not denying the acquisition or we are praying for any restraining order in respect of the land proposed to be acquired. The notices are issued in respect of dag number 53, 50 and 52.
Yes.
And the demarcation pillars are posted over dag number 242, 243, 245 and 246. That is not part of the notices. So in the meantime, my humble prayer before your lordship is that, and they have demarcated, I have annexed the photographs. They have put pillars where they say that this is the proposed line of work. Now over that property, your lordship, which is described in Schedule E, there are structures standing there and which is not part of the notification. So my humble submission, no prejudice is there. My learned brother is right. They can proceed as per the provisions of the National Highways Act. And those notifications are in respect of 50, 52 and 53. My only humble and humble prayer before your lordship is for granting of a status quo order in respect to Schedule E, in respect of which no notification is there.
Is the area of Schedule E, is it covered by any notification?
Because we have to.
We'll have it on Wednesday.
Yes.
We'll have it on Wednesday.
Wednesday or Friday, my lord. I'll bring affidavit.
No, only to get you, enable you to get the instructions.
Oh, yes,
There-
yes, yes, my lord.
Schedule E plot
Yes,
is a part of the notification.
yes, I'll bring.
Okay.
But today's notification, today's whatever I have got it,
You are
that is
AK,
not
right?
under any of
AK,
the
right?
specific, I'll
That's
bring
the
it.
AK, right, Leonard Counsel for the petitioners whose grievance is in connection with the acquisition, proposed acquisition of land for establishing the ring road in Guwahati, full stop. It is the specific contention of the petitioners that though they are not objecting in principle to the acquisition process, the notice, there is a discrepancy between the notice issued and the actions taken. Full stop. It is the specific case of the petitioner that while notices have been issued for the plot of land covered by dag numbers 50, 52 and 53, comma, the demarcation has been sought to be done so far as other dags are concerned, which is more specifically mentioned in Schedule E. Para. Let instructions be obtained by Sri C. Barua, the Learned Standing Council
NHAI.
for the NHAI. Let this matter be listed for motion on Wednesday or
Wed-
Friday, whenever you.
Whatever lordship places, I'll
You-
bring by way of affidavit.
So till then, no coercive action in respect to
Friday then, or Friday, Wednesday. On Friday.
There cannot be any stay, my lord.
So in
Because
respect
that-
of Schedule E.
No,
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 That's not-
Wednesday, Wednesday,
national importance.
Wednesday, Wednesday.
No, no.
Wednesday, my lord, Wednesday. I'll bring it.
To balance the equities, it is provided that till the next date fixed, no course of action, no status quo as in today be maintained so far as Schedule E land is concerned.
Schedule E.
E land.
Right, that
It
will-
is also made clear that keeping into mind the importance of the project, the interim direction would be reconsidered on the next date upon receipt of instructions.
My lord,
My lord.
highly obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Extra copy to
To facilitate
additional.
Sri Barua to obtain the instructions, let an extra copy of the writ petition be served upon him during the course of the day.
Deeply obliged.
So we are not issuing notice at
My lord.
Sri R.K.
Okay.
Talukdar.
Yes, my lord, I'll bring it.
Huh?
Let a notice required.
Learned Council is present for the respond number 3 NHIDCL. But
Obliged.
who will take the instructions, Barua or Talukdar?
No, no, NHI, I'm constructing. My lord.
Yes,
Obliged.
next.
Deeply obliged.
Well, Lordship may kindly take up item 15 first, madam. There is one more document. in this case.
Item?
Item 15. Both in this case issues are same, madam. Item 15.
15 to some.
15. Hello, in this case, madam, we are May please, please. My lord, in this case, my lord, we are challenging a notice, my lord, that is annexure 7, page 42, my lord. And and the threatened action that TMC has, TMC is about to take. by
Suppose
demolition
notice
of
under section 337, 1 and 2.
Ah.
And the no reply has been filed.
No.
Straight away, he appeal has been filed.
No, appeal has been filed, but appeal is not yet disposed of, my lord.
No, no, unless there is a final order, the appeal cannot be a file. This is a so-called notice.
No, we have filed the appeal, my lord. My lord, we have filed the appeal.
The appeal is against, it has to be against an order.
No, no, after
Against
this,
the issuance of show cause notice, where is the scope of filing an appeal?
my lord, yeah, under section 438, my lord.
No. A so cause notice has been issued to you. You file submit your causes. If they are satisfied, they may drop the proceeding. If they are not satisfied, they may pass an adverse order. Then only the question of or the stage of referring an appeal would come. How can you challenge a show cause notice without even filing a response?
If the GMC is not satisfied under 331(3), that order comes up, then he can file an appeal. This is premature. Man. That appeal also.
Submit your so cause reply. Will not say anything on the merits. They may be satisfied with your reply. Who knows?
Look, that period is 7 days period is also over.
No, that will extend.
Not.
That will extend. Okay. Both are same.
Both are same. Same.
Why say a separate writ petition?
My lord.
Why separate writ petitions? Two proceedings.
No, they are neighbor, my lord. The person, my lord, from whom the land was purchased.
No,
is the same land.
Okay, they're different persons. Third
In
separate order. Sri I. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Put up the grievance of the petitioner is the apprehended demolition or sealing, SEALING, seal করেছে, বন্ধ করে দিই, of the houses of the petitioners by the GMC. It is the case of the petitioner that a show cause notice was issued to them on 3/8/2023.
My lord.
3/8/2023, show cause?
Suppose it's
10/6,
10/6/25 minus.
10/6. 10/6.
10/6.
In both the cases.
In both the cases, 10/6/25.
10/6/2025, against which the petitioners had preferred an appeal which has not been looked into. Para? On the other hand, Sri Asbara, both Sri Asbara Learned Counsel for GMC as well as Sri N. Goswami Learned State Council have contended that the writ petition is prematured in as much as instead of showing cause to to the show cause notice, comma, the appeal has been referred, full stop. They submit that there is no cause of action to be aggrieved as no order was passed by the primary authority issuing the show cause notice, full stop. Para, it clearly appears that the cause of action has not ripened to enable the petitioner to approach this court, full stop. At this stage, Sri Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that there a time was prescribed for submitting the show cause which has expired and some protection may be granted to him. Para, considering the facts and circumstances, the writ petition is closed by giving liberty to the petitioners to file their show cause reply within a period of 7 days from today. And in the event of such filing, such submission, the same be considered by the appropriate authority as per its own merits.
Right. What's it disposing of?
It is made clear that any and further action by the authorities are to be taken only after disposal of the show cause proceedings.
15 also similar.
Huh?
15, 13 and 15 similar.
The since a period of 7 days from today has been granted to the petitioner, comma, no coercive action be taken during the 7 days.
Well.
Okay. And both same?
Both 13 and 15.
13 and
15.
15. Separate maybe. And show cause notices dates are same?
This is same, 10-6.
10-6. Yes, next. Disposed of, huh? Disposed of.
Life is lost. Well, in this case, my lord, my name is, and my lord, colleague's name has been, my lord, shown as caveat or lordship. But the copy has been wrongly served upon me. I was not, my lord, a caveat in this case, lord.
It doesn't matter.
My lord, my name may be, my lord, directed to be deleted, lordship.
Where's file caveat?
My lord, I did not, my lord, file any caveat, lord, in this case, lord.
MH Ahmed and Sultana and Zaman. There may be some other MH Ahmed.
My lord, that is different, my lord, cause of against different person, lordship. That is, this order has not been,
Nizadat Zaman. Who is Nizadat Zaman?
My colleague, lordship.
Huh?
My colleague, lordship.
He has filed caveat.
He is also not my lord.
His name is there.
Actually, name is there, but not filed, lordship. He was, my lord, signed along with me, lordship, in the.
Later on, we could learn, my lord, caveat was filed in respect of another order, my lord, which we have annexed in this case, my lord. Because of that, we are instructed to serve the caveat or a copy. But later
Your caveat is there for some other purpose.
Some other person, in other case, lordship. In this case, my lord, we are not concerned with, lordship.
Regarding the
Okay. Caveat no doubt is yours, but is not connected with the case of the
This
process.
case, yes, lordship.
Okay.
Not connected.
Okay, you must be happy then there is no caveat.
Lordship.
I have a limited prayer.
One hurdle gone.
Order should be discharged, lordship.
One hurdle gone, but the main hurdle still remains. You have to cross this hurdle now.
Names may be directed to be,
Okay,
my lord,
okay.
deleted, lordship.
Though this writ petition is connected with caveat number 670 of 2025, comma, Sri M.H. Ahmed, the learned counsel, has informed that the cause of action of the caveat is not connected with the present writ petition. Full stop. The caveat may be detached from the writ petition. Yes.
Loss, oblige, lordship.
Yes, what is your? Yes.
May please, your lordship, in this case, my lord, my prayer is very limited, my lord. I have filed a complaint
All right,
against the
thank you, sir.
respondent number 8.
The cause list is not required to reflect the names of Sri M.H. Ahmed and Sri N. Zaman. Yes, please.
In this case, my lord, I have filed a complaint against the respondent number 8 under Rule 62(4)(c) of Panchayat constitutional rules, my lord. So my prayer
Rule 62.
62(4)(c), my lord. Regarding the procedure for removing a president, member, or vice president who are involved in child marriage, my lord. I have made a complaint.
Who are you?
I am a ward member, my lord, of the said Gram Panchayat, and that, the respondent number 8 now become the president, my lord,
You are a ward member.
my lord.
Okay.
So my lord, my prayer is that,
He
complaint
was
may be
disqualified.
I'm not
According to you, he was disqualified.
He was disqualified.
Did you
as-
file any complaint?
Yes, my lord, I have.
What has happened to the complaint?
That complaint is still pending, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Third, three, M.A.I. Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who is an elected member of number 46, Moiradhaj, Gaon Panchayat, in the district of Nagaon. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that the respondent number 8, who is elected as a member and is presently the president
Yes, my lord.
of the Gaon Panchayat, is disqualified under Rule 46, 42 within bracket 4 within bracket C of the Assam Panchayat within bracket Rule 1995. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner, which was made by way of a representation dated by way of a complaint,
First, I have submitted. the
by way of complaints, have not been taken into consideration. Para, that notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Doctor for 1, 2.
My lord, 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7.
And 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. State election. AB Kazakhstan on behalf of RDB 3. Then Mr. Handik 4.
Only 4.
4 extra copies and 8 registered postal ID steps within 2 working days.
Not only one prayer is, my lord, I have annexed all documents, my lord. And that the president is going to be taken up charge today, my lord. That may be step because I have annexed the documents which clearly indicated both of them are minor, my lord. at the time.
Let him come.
My lord.
Obliged.
Just a minute. Sri Hussain prays for an interim order by contending that the respondent number 8
Yes,
is going to take charge of the post of president today. Full stop. Para. The aforesaid prayer has been considered. Full stop. Though this court is not inclined to pass a blanket order of stay, comma, it is made clear that all actions taken by the respondent number 8 as the president would be subject to the outcome of this writ petition and further orders that may be passed.
Hello, yes.
May it please your lordship. My lord, petitioner before your lordship, there is a association of Mojadars, my lord. Mojadars Association of Assam, my lord, there is a registered organization, my lord. And they are highlighting their grievances before the honorable court, my lord.
What is your grievance?
Grievance is that, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, as per the earlier arrangement, the 30% has to be, my lord, goes to the Mojadar and 70% has to be deposited in the.
Yes.
There is a judgment in that context in 2001.
Yes.
And thereafter another judgment passed by your lordship also, my lord. And pursuant to the two judgment, there is a notification, my lord, issued to all the deputy commissioner, my lord, in page 39, your lordship.
What is 17/2025?
My lord,
What is this 17/2025 communication?
one impugn order, my lord.
What is this?
This or by this order, my lord, now they are, my lord, introducing a system by which, my lord, they have already totally ignored, my lord, that earlier judgment. And now, my lord, I have to upload it in a reconciliation mode. Earlier, my lord, already, my lord, prior to this notification, my lord, online, offline, both modes are going on. So those who are, my lord, offline, now I have to again upload it, my lord. And now in offline mode, my lord, we have 30% we have deducted and 70% I have deposited. Now, if I go by this notification, then I have to upload it, my lord, but paying all 100%, my lord. So meaning thereby we have to pay again, my lord, and the amount which has already been paid, my lord.
No, that's not the meaning. The meaning is not that.
No, my lord. First of all, my lord.
Your commission has not been touched.
My
It
lord,
is only the mode, how you deposit.
exactly, my lord. My commission has been trust.
It's
If
not
I,
a touch.
your lordship, can
Mr.
let them,
Barpujari, what do you say?
let them, no, if I not paid my lord 100%, that will not upload it, will not take up the, that is
what
the model, my lord.
No, that is what is required. You need to show what you are collecting.
No,
Then
no, no.
30% of that will be
That-
reimbursed.
We cannot, your lordship kindly see, there are two aspects, my lord. First, your lordship kindly see, is a reconciliation mode, where, my lord, we have only in CRF mode, my lord, in the manual mode, we have-
Let us see the communication.
my lord.
Come to 18, yes.
Page 66, my lord.
Page 66, my lord.
Yes,
Reconciliation of, yes, my lord, page 66, my lord.
yes.
Above the following action are required to be completed on priority before the closure of the current revenue year. Clearance of ECFR payment by Muzadars.
Yes.
All pending CFR transaction must be cleared up to before 30th June 2025 from 1st July 25, which make the beginning of new agricultural year. The current year demanding will be automatically added in the system, hereby increasing the total amount due on the digital payment. Reconciliation module CRF payment. CRF mean, my lord, counterfoil deposit, counterfoil receipt, my lord. So all outstanding manual CRF collection must be updated and in reconciliation mode, my lord. So I have to, my lord, which I have, my lord, already, my lord, paid. Now we have to, my lord, reconciliation mode, we have to do it, my lord. So if I, my lord, not payment 100%, my lord, it will not take up, my lord. That module will not take up, my lord. So that, for which I have already paid, my lord, that will also be paid, my lord. And second thing is that, my lord, if I entered in the module, my lord, we have to pay entire, my lord, entire amount, my lord, which I have collected.
But it is for 25-26.
My lord.
It's for the financial year 25-26.
Correct, my lord. That's why, my lord,
So
we are
this is
unable
not-
to, my lord, collect it now, my lord.
This is not on retrospective mode. Whatever you are collecting have.
No, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord, that your lordship.
Let us have the explanation from Mr.
Yes, my lord, lordship will kindly say, my lord, for a moment, lordship may kindly come to, my lord, page 40.
40.
This is the notification
Yes.
by which, my lord, the e-Khazana system, my lord, has been brought into force.
Yes.
This is way back in the year 2023.
Right.
They have not objected. Some representations were filed. Then the representation lordship will find at page 45. Page 45.
Representation against what?
My lord, against, my lord, that e-Khazana.
No, I am not deposing e-Khazana, my lord. My lord, my lord. My lord.
45. Yes.
No, I am going by the materials on
Yes,
record,
yes.
my lord. This is the representation.
Yes.
Then lordship will kindly come to page 50. 50. Kindly see, my lord, the sequence of events. Minutes of page 50, my lord.
50.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the minutes of the meeting with all Assam Mozadars Association held on 7/4/2023 to discuss the role of Mozadar in the e-Khazana system. Here, my lord, the entire, it was a, my lord, decision, my lord, taken on meeting with, my lord, the stakeholders, that is the Mozadars.
Yes.
And here all the parameters have been laid out. Now we are in, my lord, the digital age. Everything else has been digitized, my lord. So we have to shift to that system. Thereafter, my lord, lordship will kindly come to page 53, my lord.
This minutes of meeting
My lord.
was in presence of the Mozadars also.
Yes, my lord. In my members present as annexure A, in initiating the discussion, Sri G.D. Tripathi, IAS Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam, welcome all the members present in the meeting. The principal then, the secretary then requested to make a PowerPoint presentation on the issues raised by all Assam Mozadars.
Yes, we have seen.
Yes, my lord. And then, my lord, kindly see, my lord, what are the resolutions taken there under, my lord. Then lordship will kindly see, my lord, page 52. Who were the persons present in
Yes,
that
yes,
meeting?
yes.
Yes, my lord. I'm
Yes.
so obliged, my lord. Then page 53 will assume significance here. Page 53.
Yes, what is page 53?
It is a communication from the office of the DLR to the my lord department. We define that the subject cited above, I am directed to inform me that a meeting was held to discuss the role of Mojadar in the e-Khazana system, and it was requested by the Mojadar Association that commission system could be designed in such a manner so that the Mojadars can receive their commission, that is 30% on each transaction on real-time basis, with a balancing entry in a year end based on overall collection subject to concurrence of the finance department. It is therefore requested to take up the matter with finance department, government of Assam, as per decision taken in the meeting.
Yes.
Then my lordship will kindly see, my lord, the next page, 54. This is again a communication, my lord, from the office of the DLR to the department, which refers to the so-and-so Guwahati High Court has passed an order in Civil Rule 96 with a direction for enabling the Mojadars to deduct the commissions from the collected land revenue and thereafter to make the deposit in the treasury. Honorable Guwahati High Court again directed in so-and-so to act as per direction already given in Civil Rule so-and-so. In view of the above orders passed by the Honorable Guwahati, requested to take up the matter with Finance Department, Government of Assam again, so that Mojadar can receive their commission on 30% basis. Then lordship will kindly see, my lord, the notification at page 57.
Yes.
This is the, my lord, notification which prescribes the, my lord, modus operandi with regard to, my lord, payment, etc., with my lord, pertaining to e-Khazana.
Yes.
Then lordship will kindly come to page 59. All the parameters have been set out. Page 59. My lord, that's serial number 2, my lord. It will be 5th paragraph in the middle, Mojadar account. Mojadar will update the details of each offline payment, specifying the CFR book number, which will be critical for their commission disbursal as per above mentioned notification. So where is the denial, my lord? Where is the denial? Then lordship will kindly see, my lord, page 61.
That is notification.
Page 61. In partial modification of previous notification so-and-so with a view to streamline the collection of land revenue, the Governor of Assam is pleased to allow both online and manual payments so-and-so for the time being. The above measures aim to enhance the efficiency and transparency of the land revenue collection system while ensuring accessibility for all stakeholders. Mojadars and Tehsildars will continue receiving land revenue payments from the pattadars who are not conversant with the new system by issuing manual receipts as practiced earlier.
Both modes were made available.
Both available.
Offline and
Both are
online.
available.
Because there is an objection, and since it is newly introduced,
Yes,
madam,
thereafter,
newly introduced,
this
then,
was in 21/12/24.
yes.
And now what has happened? What
Now,
is
now, my lord, kindly see, again, there was a meeting. The minutes of meeting, lordship will find at page 63.
4 June?
Yes. Page 63, 4th June 2025.
Yes.
Then here, yes, kindly see, my lord, page 64.
Serial number 10.
Serial number
Clause
10.
10. Clause 10 is important.
Yes, clause 10. Offline to online conversion. The all offline transactions must be uploaded via reconciliation module into the e-Khazana to bring them into the online system. During payment of e-Khazana, the focus should be payment against whom rather than receipt from whom, to ensure correct attribution of revenue as provision by NIC in the reconciliation module in e-Khazana. Then e-receipt of co-pattadars, everything is there, my lord. Then lordship will kindly see page 65, who had attended the meeting.
Yes.
They had duly attended the meeting. They have not objected to anything what has transpired in this meeting. Now, my lord, page 66. Page 66 is the fallout of the entire sequence of events. Page 66 is the fallout of the entire sequence of events. So, lordship, at this stage, may be pleased to issue notice. Lordship may examine, my lord. We will come up with an affidavit defending, my lord, how they are, if they are at all deprived, how, my lord, the decision
Mr.
of this.
Mahanta, your
But they are
concern-
seeking interim relief. That cannot be.
your concern is that there should not be any hindrance or any obstruction in receipt of your 30% commission.
My lord, and
Now they are trying to make it more transparent by making the entire process online.
Absolutely not.
Which is,
Let them say that, my lord, it is, my lord, if they be clarified, I have no case. Let them clarify. Your
which
lordship
is,
kindly see.
this move, apart from being consented by you in the minutes of meeting.
No, my lord, your lordship kindly see.
Now, this also appears to be in sync with the present mode that
No,
everything has to be transparent.
I am not on that. If I going to operate that, my lord, I have to pay, my lord, entire amount. If they say that, my lord, yes, you have to, you deposit only 70% deducting from the earlier mood, my lord, then we have no objection, my lord. But your lordship can say reconciliation mood, which are already, I have already paid, my lord. That is your lordship kindly see my para 29, my lord.
But that does not appear.
No, my lord,
You
that
have-
I practically would
What you have
face, my
already
lord.
paid,
No, let
earlier,
them,
again you have to pay. That, where does it appear from this input?
no, your lordship kindly, my lord, once look into page para 28 of my petition, my lord. Para 28, my lord.
28.
28, my lord. Page
Eight.
20, my lord. Page 20.
Yes.
Page 20. No, if they clarify it, my lord, I have no objection, but let them clarify it, my lord.
What more clarification?
No, your lordship kindly see, my lord, what
The-
practically we are facing, that's why I have filed a representation stating everything.
2 meetings on
No,
4, 6,
that,
2025
meeting
and
okay, I am not on that. Meeting okay, my lord. Meeting, my lord, only sign, my lord, your lordship, that I am not going to that, my lord. Your lordship kindly see what they are doing, my lord. If I go to doing this, my lord, we have to deprive this 30%, my lord, and also I have to pay double amount. If they say that no need to pay double amount, or if no need to pay any 30% deduction, my lord, then, my lord, we have okay, my lord. Please, para 28, kindly, your lordship kindly see, my lord. Para 28, my lord. Otherwise, system will not, my lord, operate, my lord, if I don't pay, my lord, 100%.
what is the existing mode of payment?
Correct.
Now,
Now,
my lord,
both online and offline.
now
Online and offline.
online is off, my lord. Online is not operating. my lord.
What I understand is, my lord, they are, my lord, raising an issue whereby they say, my lord, that their commission will, they will
Be
be deprived,
affected.
they will be deprived of the commission.
Affected, yes.
That much.
One,
Only that
that is
much.
one aspect. Another aspect, my lord, which I have already paid,
Mr.
my lord.
Mahanta will clarify that their commission part would not be affected.
My
No,
lord,
my lord,
my lord.
let me get the instructions, my lord. Let me get the instruction. I will issue a short notice, my lord. I will come up with an affidavit. That's the end of the matter. I am registering the
In
intent
that
because
case,
it is the intent, my lord.
in that case, we have to say something about this impugned order of 1/7/2025 prima facie.
Because in my representation, I have clearly mentioned everything, my lord.
That's true.
Okay, heard. 3.
But if lordship
CJ
protects them,
Mahanta-
the entire Assam system will collapse, my lord. Entire, it will come to a standstill, my lord.
Why?
No, because, my lord, each Khazana system, my lord, it is a 24/7, my lord, operating
The
system.
e-Khazana is going on.
No, e-Khazana, no, my lord, they
No,
are
no,
collecting, they are collecting, they will have to do it. Now, my lord, I assume a situation that they will have to deposit 100%.
Now, this,
They can definitely lay their claim for their commission. That will not be deprived of. If they have
no, you follow the, what is the system presently going on? You follow the system
My lord,
for till the time you get the instructions.
my lord.
We are not saying that they will not deposit the amounts. They have to.
Therefore, lordship will kindly appreciate, my lord. Now, I pay 100 rupees Khazana. Now, he says, my lord, he will retain 70 rupees, my lord, he will
30.
retain 30 rupees and he will deposit 70 rupees in government's, my lord, coffer.
Right.
Now, my lord, if, assuming, my lord, he collects 100 rupees and he deposits 100 rupees, my lord, as per this notification, I assume it. He will definitely have a claim, my lord, for that 30 rupees. That doesn't get extinguished, my lord. If at all he has a sustainable legal right,
That is against the judgment of the High Court, my lord.
That we are
That is judgment, my lord.
now. That we are not.
That against the mandate of judgment.
Sri TJ Mahanta, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner assisted by Ms. P. Sharma. P. Sharma.
My lord, P. Sharma.
P. Sharma. For the petitioners. The grievance of the petitioners is against, is qua an order dated, communication dated 1/7/2025 issued by the page 60, is it page 60?
66, my lord.
Impugned order is page 60.
Is issued
It is a
by
communication.
the Director of Land Records, Government of Assam, with regard to the mode of collection / payments by Mozadas. It is the case of the petitioner that So far as the commission of Mozadas are concerned, the same has been settled by this court in a number of decisions, wherein 30% of the collected amount has
Can I go back?
determined to be the commission for stuff. The apprehension of the petitioners is that by the impugned communication, they would be prejudiced so far as the commission is concerned. Para. On the other hand, Sri R. Borpujari, learned Standing Council Revenue has submitted that the impugned communication will not affect the entitlement of the petitioners so far as their commission is concerned. Para, be that as it may, let notice be issued. Returnable, we give a date.
My lord.
Returnable on on 29th of August.
My lord, I'm so grateful, my lord.
29th of
Yes.
August. Yes, Revenue Department is anyone on here for revenue? Yes,
Yes. My lord, I accept notice for 1, 2, 3.
Sri R. Borpujari, Standing Council Revenue Department accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Let extra copies be served upon him by within 2 working days. Para Sri Mohanta, the London Senior Council prays for an interim order. Para, till the returnable date, comma. Let the existing mode for collection and disbursement of Khazana be maintained till the next date. The interim order, however, would be reconsidered after obtaining, after receipt of instructions of slash filing of affidavit by the.
File an affidavit, lord, see me straight away direct, on affidavit on oath, my lord, will.
Yes, next.
I'm so obliged, my.
Yes.
When I applied for government khas land and
My lord, these are that forest eviction matter, reserve forest, my lord, I am led by learned AG, my lord, he's on legs, my lord. Can it
Same
be
order
after?
we can pass, we can, have you shown a copy of the order to Mr. Roy Chaudhary?
Yes, my lord, no, my
You've
lord,
shown
here
the copy?
some factual, my lord, discrepancies are there, my lord.
Okay, then let the learned AG come.
Yes, my lord,
After
kindly,
a
my
while.
lord, after some time.
What is the difference?
The difference, my lord, some government land has been, my lord, overlapped within the reserve forest land, my
They
lord.
have to have undertaken exercise of demarcation.
Yes,
So
that's
far
right.
as forest is concerned, it will be treated differently.
Yes.
So far as cast land is concerned, it will be treated differently.
Different.
That is what we are doing universally.
Absolutely. My lord, we will address, my
Okay,
lord.
after a while, Mr. Roy Chaudhary.
After some time. I'm so obliged, my lord. Lord, along with item 17, my lord, 44 and 45, similar, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, by this writ petition, the petitioner had challenged the impugned notice of eviction, lordship. The facts remains that petitioner has filed a suit being TS number 47 of 2023 before the learned civil judge junior division. The dispute is regarding a portion of land that, as per the government, that I have encroached a portion of government on the southern boundary of my purchased land. Accordingly, notice has been issued and the state has not.
You filed an injunction application. in
Already
your-
filed, lordship, that is pending, and that is,
No,
the
if it
date has
is-
been fixed on 14/10.
No,
In
you-
spite of that, lordship, they again issue a notice, lordship.
Whatever notice has been issued, you have to hesitate in the suit.
No, lordship, I have already filed an injunction for
If the injunction application is not considered, you know what to do. You cannot come to the
that
writ
has
court.
been pending on next 14.
That's on a different mode altogether. You cannot invoke
We
writ
have no
jurisdiction.
alternative remedy, lordship.
Why?
Because the date has been fixed on October, lordship. In the
Can't you prefer an application for early hearing rejected, come to the appellate court?
that may be done, lordship, but a direction may be issued that till that a status quo should be maintained.
These are matters of the civil court. Why should we?
In the meantime, if I am evicted, lordship, my entire suit has been infructuous. That is the problem.
Tag numbers are different, lordship, of the suit and the.
In what jurisdiction you are trying to invoke?
A direction may be issued, Lordship.
What jurisdiction?
Even Salatuddin will not come into the. end
No,
of
that's
the-
a different matter. He is, the subject matter is before the competent civil court.
Competent civil court, and that too, my lord, this is roadside land.
They have not rejected. If it's rejected, you can file appeal. If it's not considered, file appeal.
Because the subject matter is same, Lordship. Because earlier I have to file the suit regarding the same subject matter on a basis of the same notice, Lordship. And again issue the notice, Lordship.
Page 45 is amply clear, my.
We have seen your plaint at page 18.
Page 18, Lordship.
There was some deputy commissioners, those are parties. You file an injunction.
Injunction
That
petition,
if it is refused, file
Lordship,
appeal.
injunction has been filed. That is page 35, Lordship.
Yes. Then you could have come up in a revisional jurisdiction, get an order for early hearing of the injunction petition.
That will be done, Lordship, but in that process, a time has been.
He had all remedies under the court, my
Not
lord.
not the proper approach, not the proper.
Because in the
approach.
injunction petition, Lordship,
Not the proper approach. You just cannot come up with a repetition.
but in the meantime, if I evicted, Lordship, then by my entire.
Prevents you from filing another application for injunction. That this is the urgency. Let it be rejected, you have an appeal at forum.
That is right, Lordship. I have
How
already
did you
filed.
come on a writ court? Tell us.
Because I have already filed, Lordship. A date has been, long date has been given, Lordship.
We make an observation, you file an application, be considered. Mr.
Yes,
Cannot entertain this.
Absolutely. My lord, especially this is roadside land, my lord.
Decolita, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard three R. Borpujari, learned standing counsel revenue, as well as Sri N. Goswami, learned state counsel for the official respondents. Para. Considering the subject matter involved, this court is of the opinion that the petition is required to be disposed of at the motion stage. Para. The petitioner has the grievance of the petitioner. Please have your seat. The grievance of the petitioner in this writ petition is against an eviction notice dated 19/7/2025 issued by the circle officer Rongya. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he is the recorded patadar and is in lawful possession of the land in question. And in that regard, our title suit 47 of 2023 has been filed, which is presently pending before the learned court of the Munsif Kamrup at Rongya. Full stop. It also, the learned counsel has submitted that the present notice, if the present notice is acted upon, the suit would become infructuous. Para. Both Sri Borpujari and Sri Goswami, learned counsel for the respondents, have, however, objected to the maintainability of this petition by submitting that the subject matter is under consideration of the appropriate civil court, and no parallel proceedings can be maintained. Para. After considering the rival submissions, this court is of the opinion that when the subject matter connected to the impugned notice dated 19/7/2025 is pending consideration before the appropriate civil court in title suit 47 of 2023, there is no reason to entertain the present writ petition. Full stop. Para. Except it also transpires that in the title suit, an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, where with Section 151 of the CPC has been filed, which has been registered as Ms. J case number 26 of 2025. And the same has been stated to be pending. Full stop. The learned counsel has, however, informed that the date given in the injunction application is a long one, and if in the meantime the eviction proceeding is carried out, comma, the suit would become infructuous, para. Be that as it may, comma. In view of the discussions made above, while the writ petition is not entertained, comma, the petitioner is given liberty to file an application praying for preponding the date of consideration of the injunction petition and oblique or file another injunction petition with regard to the impugned notice dated 19/7/2025 before the
An
learned
observation may be made only file an application before the
learned civil court. And if the same is done, comma, the learned court would consider the same expeditiously. Yes, what?
An observation may be made on to file an representation before the concerned authority regarding the pendency of
Representation, how? Not representation, yes, next.
oblige.
19, yes. Abdul Kalam Mazumdar. R.A. Chaudhary, yes.
Worship, this petition has been preferred for non-disposal of the representation by the respondent of 5, which has been filed under Rule 62(1)(f) of.
Who are you?
I am voter, sir, Lordship.
Voters.
Yes, Lordship. And he is disqualified on the ground that he is having more than 2 child after the cut-off date. There is the.
Same question we are asking. What is the legal prejudice you are suffering?
Lordship, only thing is.
Voter, you are not one of the candidates. You may have make out a case of a statute, violation of a statute. But what is the legal prejudice you are suffering?
Lordship, only thing is that.
Will that be enough? Simple infraction.
Candidates can go for election tribunal, your Lordship, within specified time. And here, your Lordship, they are the voters. Only thing is that is a.
Yeah, difficult question. The person who is aggrieved should come to the court, will address his grievance. Let a defeated candidate come, say that he is disqualified, I have a chance to be elected. You are not even a candidate, you are only a voter. How are you affected? What kind of writ are you praying for?
To dispose of my.
What is the writ you are praying for? Is it a writ of quo warranto? No?
To dispose of my representation with the deputy commissioner. Your Lordship. There is.
Yes, Mr. Doctor, short notice.
My Lord.
But maintainability will be kept open. Okay. Part 3, R.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners who are voters of ward number 4.
No, under Jamira Gaon Panchayat.
If are you of that ward?
Not Lordship.
Then
From the same Gaon Panchayat.
then what is your locus?
My Lord.
He or she is not even your candidate. At least you have to be voter of that ward.
That Gaon Panchayat. Lordship.
How does it matter? Let some voter come. It cannot be far-fetched that anyone coming. We are dismissing this.
Lordship, let me withdraw this matter.
Heard Sri R.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners who have claimed to be voters of or under the Jamira Gaon Panchayat. Full stop. The challenge is against the election of the respondent number 8 from ward number 4, who has subsequently been elected as the president. Full stop. The challenge is structured on the edifice that there is violation of rules 62(1)(a) and 62(1)(f) of the Assam Panchayat within bracket Constitution Rules 1995, read with section 111(2)(a) of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. Full stop. It, however, appears as Dr. Learned Standing Council, PNRD, as well as Sri N. Goswami, Learned State Council, have, however, contended that the petitioners, apart from the petitioners where neither the contesting candidates and that part are not even voters of the ward in question from which the respondent number 8 has been elected. Better? At this stage, the counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with a liberty that the challenge may be made by appropriate persons. Para? Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as paid for.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the petitioners are owner of a 55 bigger land, they are carrying their business of brick clean, in that plot. Lord, I am aggrieved by this impugn notice at page 21, my lord. If your lordship have a look at it.
21.
21 page. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
May I read it? Whereas the land described in the schedule here to annex is necessary to be requisitioned and it is proposed that the said land should be requisitioned for providing land for the Assam APDCL under the Assam Thermal Power Generation Policy 2000, so and so, so and so. My lord, under section 3 of the Requisition Act, your lordship, my only concern that section 3 nowhere provides the power to requisition for a company. Am I?
Where is your original order?
This is the next page, my lord. Same thing. Page 22, that is the notice. I am challenging the jurisdiction of the entire authority of the notice itself.
This, which act is concerned? Mr.
The Assam Land Requisition
Land
Regulation Act
Requisition.
1964.
No, where do you get the name? Where do you get the name?
Act.
Name of?
The act involved in the notice.
Yes, below the top of the C, Rule 3 and Section 3(1).
Of what? No, that is what we are asking. No, we cannot go, we cannot assume. What is the act involved? You come up with connected documents. It may be, this document might have to be read along with the other connected documents. So probably you did not think that again mentioning the full name. You have mentioned act, but we want to connect it under what act? What Mr. Potoki has already, he has proceeded on the presumption that it is under the Requisition Act of 64. And under the section 3, there is no such jurisdiction. That is his contention. But first we have to be satisfied whether it is a 64 Act which has been applied or any other act. We have this on Monday?
Lordship.
Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday, Lordship.
Tell us whenever you say.
May I submit that section 3, Lordship? May I read, Lordship? 3(1).
64 Act concern.
If in the opinion of the state government or any person authorized in this behalf by the state government, it is necessary to do so for maintaining supplies and services essential to the life of the community. The electricity is essential, Lordship, if I understand properly.
Please, just a minute, please.
Section 3, my lord.
Just a minute. Which land,
Section 3.
Assam
Assam Land Requisition.
Requisition 1964.
479. Section 3.
3, my lord.
1, subsection 1.
Yes, please. Yes.
If
please
the
read.
opinion of the state government or any person authorized in this behalf by the state government, it is necessary to do for maintaining supplies and services essential to the life of the community. So it is maintaining for maintaining supplies and services.
Yes, right.
Read down. For company, my lord.
Or for life, community or
a company.
Or providing proper facility for accommodation, transport, communication, irrigation, flood control, anti-erosion measures, including embankment, drainage, or for providing land individually or in group of landless
flood affected a displaced person or to a society registered under the Assam Cooperative Society Act or a company incorporated under the Companies Act 1956. Next line, my lord, form. The company or society must be formed for the benefit and rehabilitation of landless flood affected people. Am I clear to your lordship, my lord? They can equate for the company, but the company must be formed or society must be formed for the benefit and rehabilitation of. Am I clear?
No. That, can you give us that's a restricted meaning? We have passed an order in so far as this oil depot is concerned, concerning section 3, somewhere near Hajo. Please take out the judgment.
What notice may issue registered? Yeah,
Otherwise, land was requisition
You
for,
did- no, no,
Lordship,
this is-
land was requisition for repetition. Repetition
No,
is
no,
party.
this point has been dealt with by this
No,
court. We cannot say, I think who was appearing. Some oil depot, oil India case, some
In
report
2005.
near this,
In
near
2005.
Hajo. This court has passed around 2 years back,
Wait, look, I'll check. Look.
exactly on this point.
Look.
The council was M. Bhagavati.
Look.
And I think AG had appeared.
Look.
Yes, AG had appeared. Okay, we'll issue notice at this stage. What is the stage, Mr. Kotoki?
Look, nothing has been done, but we are in carrying the our business, my lord. That's why our position shall not be disturbed. My lord.
Heard Sri S. Kotoki learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by a land acquisition proceeding under the Assam so 1964 Act, full stop, by drawing the attention of this court to the notice which has been dated to be issued under section 3 within bracket 1 read with rule 3 of the act and the rules. It is submitted that the company envisaged under the said notice would not come into the definition of such company under section 3. Para. That notice be issued. Returnable by 4 weeks. 3 Avenue, Sri Avenue, Miss PR Mohanta Avenue, 1. Then N. Goswami, State Council for 2 extra copies. Para. Returnable kya kya? Returnable on. Returnable on. We'll make it a short returnable. Returnable on 22nd of August, 3 weeks. Huh?
22nd of August.
Returnable with 3 weeks. Niche karo. Sri Kotoki learned counsel for the petitioners pray for an interim order. Para. After hearing, comma, it is provided that the peaceful possession of the petitioners over the plot of land in question should not be disturbed till the next date of listing. Full stop. Para. Since this order has been passed on the motion at the motion stage without instructions, comma, the same would be reconsidered on the returnable date after obtaining of instructions by the Land State Council. Para. List this case, the returnable date is fixed on 22nd of March.
Okay, no, second is same, you know. 21. Same notice, same thing, my lord.
Okay, 21. Respondents are same.
Same, my lord. Mark.
I have received one instruction.
Yes. There is a reason for rejection, non-submission of
early-
certified copy of 1971 electoral roll to determine the citizenship of the purchaser as per government notification dated so and so.
My lord, the authorities could have asked the petitioner to submit the document because, my lord,
They can again resubmit, lordship. They can again allow with this
Okay.
document.
Heard 3A HMR Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri J. Hendik, learned state counsel, as well as, you are also a party, madam? As well as Miss G. Hazarika, learned standing counsel, revenue department, para.
Submit koi bina koi submit koi bhi.
The grievance of the petitioner, yeah, order dated 2/6/2025, no, para 2 different. Para. On 2/6/2025, when this matter had come up for consideration, time was granted to the learned state council to obtain instructions, which was reiterated on subsequent dates. Para. Sri Hendik, the learned state council, has placed before this court copy of a written instruction dated 21/7/2025, as per which the online application of the petitioner was rejected on the basis of a government notification relating to non-submission of certified copy of the 1971 electoral roll to determine the citizenship. Para. Sri Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petitioners, has submitted that the aforesaid reason could have been communicated to the petitioner, enabling him to have the said documents. Para. Be that as it may, in view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, there is no reason to continue further with this writ petition, and accordingly the same is closed. The petitioner would be at liberty to file, to submit a fresh application along with the document, document mentioned above, in which case the same is required to be considered in accordance with law.
That instruction that be kept in it.
The
time bound, my lord, within such time, my lord, if in the event of.
will be considered by law. The written instructions dated 31/7/2025 is made part of the records.
What's your directed last order dated 28/7 to get the instruction, madam?
I received a written instruction.
Yes.
The meeting was held and.
You are for the petitioner.
What a petitioner.
Can you appear? You are standing counsel of all the departments.
No, madam.
How can you appear?
No. This is PNRD, madam.
We thought you were standing counsel of all the departments. Who is for PNRD?
PNRD and.
PNRD.
But this is basically the DC have to do it, madam.
You are for the PNRD also. Nobody has come. Yes, instructions.
I have.
Yes, instructions. What is it?
Instruction is that when the meeting was held.
Meeting was held.
Meeting was held, my lord, let them diverse the president, name of the president and secretary.
They have done so.
My lord, meeting was held, where is the president and secretary, my lord? President and vice president, my lord. Let them file an affidavit and say diverse the who is the vice president and secretary, because out of 10, 6 are here, my lord.
But they have, that is not your prayer. Your prayer is not meeting not. They have said meeting has been held. Why should you be interested with the president? You take the instruction and you take the information. We record this 29/7/2025 communication. The first meeting was held on 4/7/2025. This is issued by the district commissioner. Why should we doubt it?
And authorized officers were also appointed.
That our authorized officer was appointed on 9/7, that first meeting was to be held.
Yes.
That didn't conclude, my lord.
Conducted as per agenda of the meeting and the president.
Only instruction, my lord, let them travel the president and secretary, my lord. Who is the president and secretary?
No, not required. Not required. Second page.
Second paragraph, which is deputy commissioner.
Yes, we have seen this.
They are the petitioner. Next page.
Huh?
Next page. They are the petitioner. Next page.
Second paragraph.
Of this. Next page. Next page.
Next page. Yes.
And name of the president.
Yes.
Secretary is president and vice president. President is Nipen Chandra Das. And Monu Solskjaer is the vice president.
That be recorded, my lord.
The minutes are there, man. Minutes are there.
Yes, yes. Third, 3S Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri BJ Talukdar, Learned Senior Counsel and Additional Senior Advocate, some assisted by Sri PK Medhi. Mr. Das for? Here for? Okay, okay. Ma'am, all the Sri S. Doctor, Learned Standing Counsel, PNRD. And anyone else? Good stuff. Also heard Sri HK Das, Learned Counsel, who has appeared for certain incumbents who are interested in this proceeding and were intending to file implement application. Para. The grievance of the petitioners, who are 6 in numbers, is with non-convening the first meeting of the elected members of the 96 Haradatta Gao Panchayat under the Rangya Development Block. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that they are elected from various wards under the aforesaid Gao Panchayat, and though the meeting was convened, the same could not be held, and no president and vice president have been elected. Full stop, Sarah. This matter was taken up for consideration on 28/7/2025 when this court had directed the learned government counsel to obtain instructions. Para. Sri Talukdar, the learned additional government advocate, has placed on record written communication dated 29/7/2025 issued by the District Commissioner Kamrup, whereby it has been stated that the first meeting was held on 9/7/2025 at 10 AM at the Irrigation IB CHEPT Rongya, and was conducted as per agenda, in which the president and the vice president have been elected amongst the members. Full stop. The Learned State Council has also submitted that along with the instructions, all the requisite documents, including the minutes of the meeting, have been enclosed, which have been perused. Sri H.K. Das, the Learned Counsel, has also informed that Sri, who are the Sri Nipen Das and Sri Muni Sorgieri have been Nipen Chandra Das and Sri Munu Sorgieri have been respectively elected as the president and the vice president of the concerned Panchayat. Para? In view of the aforesaid instructions, this court is of the opinion that there is no live cause of action to be adjudicated, and accordingly, the writ petition is closed. Para? The written instructions dated 29/7/2025 along with all the enclosures are made part of the record for of levels.
Can you kindly see the last order?
Yes,
Lordship, in
Mr.
this matter,
Sharma?
I have received instructions, Lordship. I'd like to file my affidavit, Lordship.
This was when last time you had made this, your colleague has made this submission.
Yes, Lordship.
Got the instructions?
Yes.
Yes. What is your name, madam?
SR Das,
You're with Mr.
on behalf of AT Sarkar.
Heard Miss S.R. Das, learned counsel for the petitioners who has referred to the order passed on the last occasion on 14/7/2025. Para? Sri Sharma, learned standing counsel, Water Resource Department, has submitted that instructions have been received in the meantime, and he would be filing an affidavit. And the department would be filing an affidavit within a period of 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
20 matter, not 3 weeks, 2 weeks from today. Para? List after 2 weeks.
Yes.
What is the subject matter, madam? Bill.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, what is the instruction?
Okay, there is a sharing between the central and the state. The fund has to come from the central and the state. Some payments have been made and around 98 lakhs.
How much is the amount?
Here, Lordship, they are claiming 5,34,000.
That is pending since 5 years. If the due is there, why don't you clear it?
Lordship,
These matters, do you file affidavit if you have clear instruction? We give you up time. Where is the requirement of filing affidavit? If your disputing matter is different. When was the work done? Work was completed when? Which year? No idea. Okay, you file for 2 weeks. You can also place your instructions here. We take a call. 2020 matter, we don't like to keep it pending. Okay, next.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Lal.
May it please your Lordship.
Here also, I would like to file my affidavit, Lordship.
Yeah, for whom?
I for the stray, Lordship.
2020 matter.
Stray. 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Lordship,
4,
my
3 and 4.
vehicle-
We are private respondent, Lordship. We are the finance company. And
3, what is 3?
Stray Equipment Finance Company, Lordship. It's a private limited company.
What is your
selling,
grievance, Mr. Lal?
Milord, they've taken a forceful taking of the vehicle is the subject matter of the writ petition, Milord. The matter is of 2020, Milord. Since then, they have not filed their affidavit, Milord. Last 10 days time was granted, Milord, to them. They've still not filed, Milord. So a date be fixed, Milord, and by that date, it may be filed, Milord, and thereafter.
What kind of vehicle? Excavator?
Milord, excavator, Milord.
we have not taken it forcefully. It was as per the agreement.
But Mr. Bhattacharya, you were given time earlier. We cannot keep a writ petition pending.
That's
For
true, Lordship, but
2020,
now
last
we-
matter was similar, 2020 matter for bills. Either we say yes or no.
No,
Cannot
it
be
is-
pending.
It's true, Lordship, but the company is in a liquidation form. The only one person is there and his power of attorney is not there, Lordship.
That is something internal. We have to look into the list before us. Okay, well, last opportunity. It was
Lordship.
do this court had granted opportunity to the contesting respondent numbers 3 and 4 to file affidavit, such affidavit has not been filed. Para, Sri A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel, prays for some more time. Para, considering the above, a last opportunity of 10 days is granted to file affidavit by the respondent numbers 3 and 4. List after 10 days.
This is the question.
I don't know.
10 days. Schedule on Mr. S. Roy was directed to obtain instruction of whether the fit another shop would be allotted, your lord. Roy.
24 shops. Yes, allotted already.
No.
State council.
It was agreed for one. The woman.
আপোনাকে দিছিলে ইনষ্ট্ৰাকচন আপোনাৰ আছে নাই
No, yes, Roy.
নাই নাই দুইজনকে দিছিল লাষ্টত
Whether another will be allotted.
লাষ্টত দুইজনকে দিছিল
Yeah, your lordship.
So affidavit by the municipal board says that the shops are allotted, 3 numbers of shops.
Three, no. Another shop, 4. There was, it was agreed to allotted 5 shops. So on the last occasion, it was, Mr. S. Roy was directed whether another shop could be allotted or not.
So this was instruction, a direction to both of you
yes
to have the instructions. What is your instruction?
My instruction is 4 has been allotted.
You are not satisfied with 4.
No,
How many of you are there?
We are now the legal heirs. You have,
But how many total families originally, how many of you are there?
I have substitution is there, your lordship. Substitution is there now.
No, originally.
Originally 1. Jatin Datta, our father.
Now you want 5 shops.
Yes, your lordship. It was agreed.
4 have been given to you.
It is agreed. Now, earlier it was a shop of 500 square feet. Now it is only 100 square feet, your lordship.
The earlier, the structures, my lord,
500 square feet.
Yes, earlier.
500 square feet will be how big?
It was a big shop. Now, upon reconstruction.
What is the dimension of this courtroom?
Upon lordship.
What is the dimension of this courtroom?
It may be around 600-700.
Such bigger shop you have?
Earlier.
Supermarket?
Earlier, no. Earlier, upon reconstruction, we have been allotted shops of 100 square feet, 10 by 10. Since earlier it was 500, it was agreed to allot 5 number of shops, each of 100 square feet.
4 have been given.
4.
1 is still to be given. Yes. We need your
Of
assistance.
the instruction whether it can be given or not.
Where is Mr. Roy?
I'll inform him.
Okay. We'll have it on Wednesday next then. Okay.
Wednesday.
While Sri R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present, a prayer for accommodation has been made on behalf of Sri S. S. Roy, learned state counsel, who was there on the last occasion and was supposed to have the instructions. Para? List on Wednesday. Date. Wednesday. What परसों? आज शुक्रवार है. परसों आओ Sunday को. Mr. Bhatti?
My lord, these cases are for refund matters.
These are for?
There is no more rest in that.
Lordship for refund of tax, Lordship, I have received instruction in 2 weeks time. Lordship.
You'll file affidavit over?
Yes, ma'am.
Both the matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, similar matters.
Okay. Third, Sri O.P. Bhatti, learned counsel for the petitioners. Para? Sri B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, finance, within bracket taxation, department submits that written instructions have been received and he would file the affidavit within a period of 2 weeks. Full stop, list after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Both similar order. Similar in the same order. Connected.
Not okay.
31. FZ Mazumdar. Mazumdar was here. Where was he? FZ Mazumdar. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, little bit taken up at two, Lordship.
Why?
Mr. Aramdas will.
File affidavit otherwise.
Yes, Lordship.
What do you say in your affidavit? Okay, we'll have this on next week. He's not there. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the department, respondent department is represented by Sri Sharma, then a standing counsel para. In the interest of justice, list after a week.
Obliged, Lordship.
Madam Sunwal, what is this?
Lordship, in a,
Affidavit filed.
in this case, yes, Lordship, we have filed. But, Lordship, in a similar case, Lordship, we have filed a affidavit where it is, where we have stated that, the file is, there was some, we have some objection regarding the, award, Lordship, the final award. So, we have asked the revenue department to verify it. That, both the cases may be taken up together, Lordship.
When? In the other case, you are the
This
counsel.
also,
Are you the counsel in the other
Yes.
case?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, we'll have both these cases together. The learned counsel for the parties have apprised this court that there is another writ petition which is connected being WPC
1490 of 2024.
1490/2024 para. List this case along with 14 so and so after 2 weeks.
My lord, on the last occasion, Mr. Talukdar has
33, yes, what is this?
for record received by him, he has submitted before the court.
Yes, Corporation Department. Corporation, who's there? MD Bora? Talukdar? G Bodloy? Where are you, Mr. Mazumdar? Your matter was called upon. We were calling your name. Then none appears not likhna, huh? Oh, after a week, none appears will remove. You should be there. We saw you in the court.
Can I pray for a date?
No, not that. We'll remove that non-appearance part. Okay. Where is the Corporation Department? Okay, we'll come back at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
You, in the meantime, get the Corporation Department lawyer.
That any reserve forest within the meaning of the expression reserve forest in any law for time being in force in that state or any portion thereof shall cease to be reserved. 2, for any forest land or any portion thereof may be used for any other non-forest purpose. Explanation: for the purpose of this section, non-forest purpose means breaking up or clearing of any forest land or portion thereof for any other purpose than reforestation. So there is no dispute that this whole area was declared as a reserve forest in the year 1966 with all coordinates intact, demarcation. Let us assume that some revenue department has issued this patkas. Whether that will overrule or prevail over the regulation under the Forest Act regarding
declaration of a area as a reserve forest. So this is my situation. So
Where is the notification declaring this to be reserved?
yes, Lordship, I'll give. Yeah, forest of including the map. We don't have to demarcate any further. Demarcation is already there.
But how do you ascertain that the land which the petitioner are now
That
identified?
lordship will definitely, we will not hurriedly do anything. Their lordship may, by instruction, if lordship directs for a joint inspection, if it is within the forest land, then they will have to leave. Either way also they will have to leave.
Mrs. Saika, joint inspection may come at a later stage. File an affidavit.
Yes,
If
absolutely.
let them rebut if they have, and if an affidavit you state that
Yes.
the lands are within the forest land,
Lordship.
we may have to treat it differently. If it is not within forest land, file an affidavit.
Lordship.
Are all the cases on the similar footing?
Same footing.
Same.
Same area, same footing. Only thing is that whether it is a forest land or it is a government land.
No, Mr. Saikia, there are two sets of cases which we have been seeing these days. There are certain cases where admittedly it's forest land. So our directions is slightly different.
Yes,
That
Lordship.
we have extended some, taken a lenient view for 7 days, it become 14 days.
Yeah.
But if it is revenue land, the matter will be treated slightly differently.
It is no more a revenue land. Although the.
No, we have
Lord.
heard your submissions, but you have to put this on affidavit.
I'll do that.
But prima facie, they are trying to make out a case.
Absolutely.
You might say that even those kind of allotments are not in accordance with law.
Law.
But this is even one department of yours. So there has to be some consistency.
Lordship, no issues. So today is Friday. I'll file it on Monday.
Monday will file.
We'll file.
Okay. When
I
can
have
we have
received
this?
complete instructions, Lordship.
When can we have this?
Lordship.
When can we have this?
Tuesday, Lordship.
Tuesday?
No, we'll have to file a reply 2-3
Then
days. We
No,
also require.
We'll grant you time.
Yes.
Let him file. first.
Yes,
I'll
yes.
file, let the matter be fixed on Thursday, Lordship.
Okay.
In none of the case notice has been issued.
Oh, okay. We'll issue a short notice returnable
Yes,
by
yes.
Thursday,
Yes,
by which time pleadings may be exchanged.
Lordship.
Heard, huh? So and so, huh? You take it. We'll pass one common order.
Lordship.
Heard, so and so, so and so, huh? The common grievance of the petitioners in these cases is apprehended eviction. Full stop. The case projected is that the area under their occupation, area of land under their occupation is revenue land, and in support thereof, the land documents have been annexed to the petition. Full stop. It is also contended that without resorting to the provisions of law, a forceful eviction is apprehended. Para? When a few of the matters were taken up for consideration yesterday, Sri D. Saikya, the learned AG, had prayed for and was granted time to obtain instructions. Full stop. Para? The learned AG has contended that instructions have been received as per which the entire area in question was declared to be forest area by a notification in the year 1966. Full stop. He has, however, candidly submitted that due to certain error, portions of the land were allotted by the revenue department, which, however, would not be permitted by law. He has specifically referred to Section 2 of the Forest Conservation Act 1980, which starts with a non-obstante clause that any state laws cannot override the central law without the approval of the central government. Full stop. Para. This court is of the opinion that the aforesaid stand is required to be put on record by way of an affidavit. Full stop. The learned AG has submitted that such affidavit would be filed within the shortest possible time, as the matter is urgent in nature. full stop, para. In view of the above, let notice be issued, return notice be issued, full stop. As agreed upon by the learned counsel for the parties, the let the returnable date be fixed on Thursday, 7th.
My lord, if it is not inconvenient, could it be on next day, my lord? Friday, Thursday, I may have some difficulty.
Friday,
Yes.
Friday then
Next
8th.
tarik, huh?
8 code, this code will not be there, but doesn't matter. Some other code will be.
Oh, lordship will have it on Monday, my lord.
11th.
Yes,
are around.
Monday.
Is it okay, Mr. 11th?
Yes.
It's up to you.
Yes,
We'll,
yes. 11th.
On 11th. Full stop. The affidavits, the pleadings are required to be exchanged prior to the next date of listing. Para? By the learned counsel for the petitioners pray for an interim protection. Para? Considering the facts and circumstances and by balancing the equities, it is provided that till the next date fixed, that is 11/8/2025, the status quo with regard to the possession of land be maintained. The aforesaid interim order, however, would be reconsidered after filing of the affidavit.
Highly obliged.
Unlisted is same.
My lord, 44, 45.
One is unlisted. Who's unlisted?
One unlisted matter, my lord.
Babul Ali.
My lord, it is regarding that, my lord, Oriam Ghat, my lord.
This is different.
This is
Golaghat.
my lord, that 7 days, my lord, time limit, my lordship was pleased to grant, my lord, but today is the date, is the last day, and the petitioner has approached today, my lord. So on 7/8 is the, my lord, date fixed by my lordship, my lord, the extension. So, my lord, can this, for this petitioner, can it be till 10th?
No, date of notice are the same.
Date of notice is same.
And 7, same order.
My lord.
In unlisted to same order, as you say,
We have
7 days of notice.
They enclose the order.
My lord, we have annexed the order, my lord,
Page?
page 140, starts at page 133, my lord.
132.
Intas are,
We'll try to have the order today itself uploaded.
my lord, my lord. Highly obliged.
Okay. Different case, is it?
Deeply obliged.
This matter, my lord had disposed it, my lord.
Which one?
My lord, just now, my lord, that William Ghat, 7 days.
William Ghat is not disposed of, I think. They are issuing notice,
Notice.
but interim protection, 7 days.
7 days. My lord.
Thirty-three, yes, Mr. Talukdar.
My lord.
Yes, so cooperation, you, first half matter was called upon, you are not there. What is it? What is it?
In fact, the
Affidavits exchanged.
exchange, complete affidavit.
What is the matter?
Look, in fact, the representation and appeal was filed for the registrar, saying that the ballot boxes, my lord, were not retained in the manner as prescribed under law. And my lord, during the counting of votes, my lord, there were certain objections, and there was interruption, my lord, in the supply of the electricity also.
Okay.
And therefore, my lord, in view of such, my lord, objections, my lord, the registrar found that recounting is necessary. Now, both the parties, it appears from the impugn order, both the parties did not agree to the recounting. So therefore, registrar, my lord, took the view that in absence of the recounting, my lord, the result of the, my lord, election, my lord, may stand vitiated, and therefore the election has been interfered with. That is the case, my lord. The ballot boxes were, my lord, kept in a, my lord, guest house instead of, my lord, the police station or other, my lord, place where it was required to be kept. That is the, my lord, case.
But they are not aggrieved with such mode. If they are not aggrieved, maybe there is an aberration of the law where, as regards custody of the ballot boxes. But if they are not aggrieved, both the parties, you have said, what is the status now? The results were declared out on the basis of the ballot boxes.
Results were declared. But subsequently, my lord, representation, my lord, and appeal were filed.
Who
before the
had filed?
Election authority, before the election authority, my lord.
Who had filed?
That it appears, my lord, from the.
Huh? So is there a dispute between,
6 and 7.
is there a dispute between the candidates?
Yes.
There is, then if there are good reasons to cancel, then why should we interfere? You are aggrieved by the cancellation.
My lord, my lord, the main fact I would like to highlight.
Yes, please.
Only the difference of date, my lord. If your lordship kindly have a look of the impugn order. In the impugn order, the register of the cooperative societies disapproved the election. And after disapproving the election, my lord, he has authorized to run the society by one-man committee. And this one man is Bipul Kumar Bora, Senior Inspector of the cooperatives.
Who are you?
I'm elected candidate. I'm a director of the cooperative society. There are 8 petitioners are there. Now the question is, at the same time, the register of cooperative is hereby asked to show cause as to why the ballot box was not handled as per the procedure mentioned in the Assam Cooperative
Now,
Society.
what is your grievance and what relief are you praying for?
Now,
What is the relief you are seeking?
my lord, after this so-called issued, the concerned officer
Let me
has
say
given
24.
his reply. It is in page numbers.
Where
Page
is,
number
let
70
us see 24/1/2024, which page?
73, my lord.
Let us
Reply is given by the
Page 48,
48, impugn order.
my lord.
You are Sirazul Haq and Zakir. What
No.
are your names?
I am the petition Abdul Hasim. Sirazul 6. Respondent number 6.
They had filed an appeal.
Yes, they have filed an appeal.
Appeal has been allowed.
Appeal has been allowed. My lord,
Appeal was for?
appeal was for cancellation for cancellation of the election, my lord.
Okay, the election has been cancelled.
Yes.
You say that you were duly elected and therefore cancellation was not warranted.
Yes. My certificate is there, my lord. Kindly have a look of annexure, my lord, annexure to page 23.
But if there was, the law was not followed so far as custody is concerned, there was disruption of electricity, there were scope of manipulation.
My lord, there was no manipulation with the utmost respect as per their affidavit in opposition is concerned.
But this will be factual disputes.
The affidavit is, my lord, page 23 annexure, my lord, this is the
Now,
certificate of
what is the
winner.
position? One-man committee.
Manon committee.
See,
And
you are-
election, in terms of the, my lord, 46-1, election should be, my lord, held within 90 days.
You are not losing, you are neither here nor there.
Yes, they can participate.
Contest the elections.
Yes.
My lord, election was held with fair manner. There was no irregularity committed, my lord.
That is your contention. Who's for a private respondent?
And my lord,
Private respondent.
my lord, supposed reply was given by the concerned officer.
Salvador, who is for the private respondent?
Private respondents, advocates are not there, my lord.
Who's there?
His name is
B. Sharma. Is this? Who is this? Who is this?
My lord, if your lordship kindly have a look of page 74, then your lordship will clear the picture.
No, let them be available.
Page 74, my lord, the so-called reply given by the
That is okay. We want the private respondents to be sure. Who is for the private respondent, Mr. Talukdar?
Their names are shown.
Come on.
B. Sharma is just for caveator.
This.
We'll have this disposed of in their presence.
My lord.
Okay. We'll have this on Tuesday next.
Well.
Do you know them? Who are they? B. Sharma, there are many B. Sharma.
My lord, correct.
Is just B. Sharma is just. Here comes Vikas Sharma. Vikas, ne Brajesh. Vikas Sharma is just to go each one. Difficult.
My lord, if your lordship kindly have a look of page 74, then whole picture will be clear.
No, Mr. Talukdar, we cannot dispose this of in their absence. We will give them a chance. Tuesday.
Yes.
Now, do Sri I.A. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Sri S.K. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, co-person department are present. The learned counsel for the private respondent number 7 and 8.
Madam.
6 and 7.
6 and
6 and 7 are not present when the matter is called upon, though their names have been reflected in the cause list. Para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Tuesday next to give another opportunity.
Oblige.
My lord, leave fix.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oblige.
May may I take your lordship to order dated 29/24.
Yes.
But by this order, the petitioner was supposed to submit certain documents, more particularly, next of scenes of the
Yes.
legal heirs
Yes.
of the land, and accordingly, we submitted the same before the circle officer. And we have also brought these documents of record by filing on additional affidavit also.
Okay. Now, what is your call, Mr. Roy?
Lordship, that he had not submitted the legal, now he had submitted, let it be at the
You
instruction.
take instructions, probably you can now settle the matter.
Lordship. If this submitted lordship, matter may be closed, lordship, directing do the as per law, lordship. May be closed because my instruction was clear that no NOC was submitted. Now, if it is submitted, lordship, then it will be done.
Okay, then we'll close this.
Fine,
Yes,
fine.
no.
That can be done, but with the specific direction, that if it is.
Your
done,
yearly.
My lord.
Heard Sri yearly learned counsel for the petitioner.
Petition to swear.
The grievance, also heard Sri S.S. Roy, learned state counsel, as well as Miss, you are there, Madam,
Yes.
Hazarika? As well as Miss G. Hazarika, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department, Para. Considering the facts and circumstances, and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, the instant writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Para. The grievance of the petitioner is qua the inaction of the respondent authorities, more particularly respondent numbers 3 and 5, with regard to the proposal for correction of the land record pertaining to the petitioner. Full stop. It is averred that the predecessors in interest of the petitioner had owned and possessed a plot of land measuring 3 bigha, 2 katha, 19 letter, covered by Dag number so-and-so, substituted in so-and-so, which the petitioner is in peaceful possession. Full stop. It is also contended that the revenue is being paid from time to time. Full stop. However, full stop. The petitioner had accordingly submitted an application on 10/7/2023 for correction of the land records, pursuant to which a report was also prepared. Full stop. However, for reasons not disclosed, the corrections were not done. Para. So Ali, the learned counsel, has submitted that in the course of the proceedings, it was divulged that certain documents, including the NOK, oblique death certificate, were not submitted by the petitioner. Full stop. কি করলো? Go to line 2. Line 2. Submits petitioner, which is reflected in the order of this court dated 2/9/2024. He has, however, submitted that subsequent thereto, all the documents have been submitted to the appropriate authority, and the said fact has also been brought into record by way of an additional affidavit filed on 18/6/2025. Para 3 SS Roy, both 3 SS Roy, learned State Council, and Ms. Hazarika, the learned Standing Council Revenue, have submitted that in view of the aforesaid development, the writ petition may be closed by directing the respondent authority to do the needful in accordance with law. Para. The submissions made by the learned counsel, including the counsel for the respondents, have been duly considered, and prima facie appears to be acceptable. Para. Considering the facts and circumstances, and also by on perusal of the affidavit of the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner on 18/6/2025, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the responsibles 3 and 5. Respondents, more particularly responsibles 3 and 5, to finalize, to consider and dispose of the application for correction of land records submitted by the petitioner. Para. Let the aforesaid exercise be completed expeditiously and preferably within an outer limit of 2 months from the date of submission of a certified copy of this order.
My lord, interim was there, my lord.
What is the interim?
My lord.
What is interim?
My lord, that initially, my lord, we felt that since it was converted into government, my lord, that the state shall not do anything
There is no interim.
my lord.
There is no
My
interim.
I am obliged.
Strictly in accordance with law, will you listen, no? Strictly in accordance with law, will you do it? Yes, madam, so.
Last occasion, I sought for time for filing affidavit, lordship affidavit in opposition. Your lordship, the affidavit I have, it is ready, but.
At parking lot, parking.
But.
Parking.
Yes.
Nokhanda.
Yes,
yes.
Saulkhua.
Lordship, I'm seeking for a 1 week accommodation. I want to get signature of my client, that is why thereafter lordship may dispose
You
of.
file it. Okay. Miss T. Soon, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though the affidavit is ready, the same could not be filed. And the same, submits that the affidavit is ready and will be filed shortly. Full stop. See accordingly prays for and is granted a week's time to file the same. Para, Sri, and Goswami Learned State Council is present.
Obliged, lordship, deeply.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5, Lordship. 1 month's time is required to complete the directions, Lordship. We have
Contempt matter.
contempt, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Chauhan, what did you say?
I am not at all satisfied by their assessment because my lord, 2009, the land value was assessed 2,29,167 per bigha. And 2020, my lord, they assessed the land value 63,227 per
Let them
bigha.
come up with the final orders.
My
We'll-
lord, I have prepared, my lord, challenging their report.
In a
Because
separate,
the same circle officer,
in
my
a
lord,
separate writ petition.
my lord,
The challenge is in a writ petition, separate writ petition.
yeah, we are going to file a separate petition.
Okay, we'll consider, in the meantime, let her have the complete instructions.
No, my lord, the total, my lord, compensation, they fixed 46,000, my lord. And my lord, another thing, my lord.
Then let them
look,
finalize, let them
now-
finalize. Third, Sri S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioners. Correct. Ms. R.V. Bora, learned counsel for the respondents 4 and 5. Submits that the process is being finalized and would be completed within a further period of a month. Full stop. Para. Sri S. Chauhan, the learned counsel for the petitioners has however submitted that as per information received, comma, the compensation amount is too meager. Small amount, no? Too meager.
My lord, for
They said,
four katha and 10 lecha.
too meager. For some the efforts in respect will be considered at an appropriate stage. Put the para. List after a month. Yes, next. Bora, you are there?
And therefore, response number 4.
4, RV Bora, we have recorded 4 and 5. Next. Review.
Hello, maybe for some other day, lordship.
Why?
Today's file, I have some difficulties, lordship, some information, more information is there.
Review, what is the ground? What ground review?
Ground lordship. The honorable court lordship directed to my lord give 2 standard marks lordship. But the petitioner's case was my lord different from those cases lordship. It is not the case that the petitioners were not given marks lordship. Actually, marks were given lordship, but the petitioner as not as.
Now, what review will you get now? You filed now 25, recruitment was in 2024. What will you get now? Even if you are successful, will you get any substantial relief? Nothing.
At that moment, posted vacant lordship.
Recruitment is over. This order is of 10/5/2024. When did you file this review?
It was filed on 26/7 lordship.
Of?
No, lordship.
Huh? Filed when? When? Review filed on 26 March 2025.
Lordship.
What is your explanation towards the delay?
Delay lordship's application was submitted before the authority.
Where have you stated?
My lord.
Regarding the delay? Have you stated anything?
I will file additional agreement lordship.
Where is the order of the division bench? 29/1/2025. Next, let's see.
Last page lordship.
172.
My lord, 172 onwards lordship. My lord, the observation lordship. Liberty was granted at page 73 lordship. 173 lordship. Actually, my lord, the petitioner's counsel was not present on that day. My lord, he was not able to, my lord, submit actual facts of the case lordship. My lord, analogously cases were taken lordship. Some counsels, my lord, submitted consent lordship.
But you have not explained the delay. Why?
My lord, I will file additional agreement lordship. Some other day it may be.
Part 3 M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners who have filed this application for review of the order dated so-and-so passed, amongst others, in writ petition, Bhutta Asade, it would have writ petition label, in WPC. What is your writ petition? 5535/2022. Para. The order was however passed on 10/5/2024 and the review petition has been preferred, has been filed on 3rd March, 26 March 2025. Full stop. There is no explanation of delay in the petition. Full stop. Para. Though the Limitation Act 1963 does not have an application per se, comma, the aspect of lapses would always be there. Full stop. Para. At this stage, the learned counsel for a petitioner prays for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file additional affidavit to explain the delay in filing the review petition. Para. List after 2 weeks. Just file additional affidavit.
Lots, yes.
Yes, next.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, we have filed the affidavit for service of notice upon the new incumbent on 30th of the July.
Where is it?
In the record.
Today is what?
1st of August.
Okay, this is implement will allow.
Yes, can be allowed.
Implement is IA what? 2001? 2001.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your MR Sudial.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Part 3 MR Sudial learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has sought for implement. The first paragraph too, huh? Very good. Tara, when this matter had come up for consideration on 23/6/2025, it was noted that the incumbent sought to be implemented was not served notice of the was not apprised of the order of this court, which is the subject matter of this contempt petition. Para. Accordingly, 4 weeks' time was granted to apprise the said incumbent of the order of this court in question. Full stop. The learned counsel has submitted that notice was issued to the new incumbent on 30/7/2025. Which was sent by registered post with AD. Registered post.
Registered post.
The order of this court dated 23/6/2025. Where is the order of this court? Mr. Counsel, you have not understood the order of this
No,
court.
I have sent this, the order also.
Where in the enclosure?
We have not enclosed
Then
here.
we are not concerned with this IA.
Yes, sir.
IA will be sent to him when notice we are issuing. We are not issuing notice. We said that the incumbent needs to be apprised that there is an order of this court requiring compliance.
Yes, sir.
We are not concerned with this proceeding.
Yes, sir.
Only if you give him the notice and he has not complied, then we make him a party, then we issue notice to him.
Yes, sir.
That is a different aspect.
Yes, sir.
But nonetheless, এইটো নকবা full stop. Para. In view of the above, comma, the new incumbent, namely so and so, so and so, so and so, is implemented as party respondent number.
Sole respondent also. Because
So-
the other one, the previous incumbent has transferred.
No, doesn't matter, he's still there.
Yes, then it will be respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2. Full stop. The learned counsel is required to file amended cost title in the contempt case, whereafter the same is to be listed for issuing notice to the new incumbent.
Deeply obliged.
Okay, next.
41. 41.
Food goal পানো বেটা আসলে ঢোনে মাত্র Mr. Goswami, which is your matter? Yes, Mr. Agarwal, your matter, where are you?
Lordship, sorry, Lordship. Lordship, this is for correction of the order of the Lokata, Lordship.
Where is Mr. Goswami? Please bring him. SK Goswami.
That is simple mistake of Lordship only. That
You have Mr. Goswami, we'll have this on Monday. Okay?
Monday, Lordship.
Monday. Row 3, A.R. Agarwal, learned counsel for the applicant is present, comma, the learned counsel for the respondent is not available when the matter is called upon. Para, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday.
Much obliged.
Please inform him and have him, will correct the order.
Okay.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this requisition is of 2014 lordship. Now, this land belongs to railway lordships. 40 meter
Yes, is
to
there
50
anything,
meter
madam?
lordships.
Madam Bora, is there anything?
Sometime, more time maybe.
No, 14 matter.
Instruction.
But was the NRHM office constructed there? I don't think so. NRHM office is in GS Road.
My instruction says the cause of action surviving because the NHM has constructed that in lieu of that some state government will, that matter is going on so far as that instruction I received them, then will hear because I cannot prepare on this thing.
What is your instruction, Mr. Sharma?
Lordships, that land, it is under the occupation of respondent number 4 and 7 lordships. And lordship, this state officer passed the order at that time, lordship, in 2012. And also a direction was given that if required, take the help of deputy commissioner and magistrate lordship.
But in 2014 itself, there is an interim order. Thereafter, the interim order is almost absolute. The NRHM office is in Guwahati, in GS Road. Is it occupied? Is railway land occupied now by NRHM?
Yes. Sir.
As
That-
what?
That, not that of, some PA health center was open there, Lord, on that.
No, is it, is the health center still functioning or is it, is the
Functioning
structure there?
or functioning, Lord.
Structure is still there.
See, yes.
Yes, what do you say, madam?
My lord, one of them may be allowed for taking instruction, my lord.
No, if it is railway land, unless you settle between yourself, you cannot have any other structure. If there is an exchange or anything, we have nothing to say. We grant some time then, but it's a old matter.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll have it on when? 11th. 11th.
Lordships.
Okay. Part 3, R. Sharma, learned counsel for the railways. Also heard Miss A. Bora, learned standing counsel, NHM. Para, Ms. Bora, please for some time to obtain the instructions. Para. And the last opportunity, and considering that this writ petition, and that this writ petition is pending since the year 2014, a final opportunity is granted to enable Ms. Bora, the learned standing counsel, to obtain the instructions. Para. List on 11th.
Highly.
Or yes.